Ye tio. Uchima beba. No mano, ye bekra me hu ye yankra. Body hill and I make baby, my maker simply am a embassy kesi. Almost for him, I'm no meeting. What has no Macajame? Almost a crobity said, a branch could be no tesoro. Yeah, a branch could be no tesoro. Oberlin, what must have been in the Cajame? What's the man here? I'm not crab blue. Any move I took walk to Ghana. Running like a train. But that's a week. I say, you. I commend you for national. You are part of the national development agenda. It's a very good platform that you are using, educating the masses as well. So sincerely, where we have gotten to, let us collectively rise as a country, as the previous, the past presidents made it known to us, that we should be citizens but not spectators. All right. That West goes to this.
All right, Emmanuel Cherry, CEO, Chamber of Construction. You ever say that was in the way? Nah, say Wama Hokama anyway, Dinkum. I loved your conversation. And one day, best rest over Befi Haranka, anyway, you're one-on-one. I'll be very grateful.
Thank you very much, Prof Abotchie.
Thank you so much. Ora Emmanuel Cherry, CEO, Chamber of Construction, and Artist Emineno Edin Commonwealth live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Oh, Minia. Oh, I'm quite day now.
Oh, I'm you now.
I mean, that me doing your cocoa.
Now, me bato, one a minute, I say.
Me bato, me nini Yahoza, the first to move it my friend me Tebu.
Oh, Yahoza.
Yeah, me bra.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, why you tomorrow? I just did that.
Oh, that be that.
Minia, onu say me, my brother me boy na radio and a meeting. Radio na menum, radio na mitare. Na in fact, me share quality say wo mu ade we a usi eye radio juma na. One day who on CNN photo Sarfo.
Amen, oh, amen.
Like an eagle eye, nothing can happen.
Every much of my dream says, anti-rigging committee now must set it up no crano. It should have been kept within your camp, not to make it public.
A campaign strategy. Yamamu who say we are watching you. Send me damn it to me pumu. Into Babu, Obu on more than the 2 on. Obeso Charles say, to work or gangster meeting that. Gangster meeting, who could do one more beer than the you release all your arsenals. But what could be that? Okay.
On your gangster.
You understand?
But what could be that? You have that experience?
Oh, I see. It's in movies. I see it in movies. Yeah, I see it in movies. Abotchie.
Yeah.
I see it in movies.
Dog.
Yeah, I see it in movies. I like you.
I also like you. Oh, you're smart.
So I see it in movies. What you are saying? We are letting them know that we are policing this election. Look, the destiny of the youth of the new patriots.
He's right here. Bema, Kofi, Ofusu, and Cancer.
But that's a prof. Oh, nice radio voice, but boom, come on.
Oh, sir. You love the voice.
Yes, you're good. I'm saying our voice here, yes, minimum Fifi Boafo, so be so.
Oh, sir.
Oh, good radio voice, but
thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much for the compliment. Right, so this is a good time. Exactly 6 minutes to 3 p.m. live here. SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. You're from Kobla Abotchie, aka Prof. And now you're the Fiada. And once it's a Friday, I was on the Nyamya pass what they were free. A year Sunday, Eba Pim and Nephi. And you'll be on a sow. You'd have to say, God, I am grateful. You have to say, God, I am thankful for the life that you have given me. Remember, say, ene eye mortuary. Ejada kese pa. Say, ene so do any chire eye the various mortuaries. Ewo Ghana ha. Ahodo who said nipa ensheda ensehwe. And you know, abrabo a wo boro, wabrabo no etesen. De bia da no. Eye ye kwa so demu a Yeah, they are very much grateful. Say uche and Devi, wherever you are. Say one crying ha. Some pono water chimana uche and was SOMPA 106.1 FM. Say water kwa Western region. Uche and I was SOMPA 101.1 FM. And I say moi musha I was Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. And again on YouTube SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra live. And I know, sir, on the multi-TV Digibox radio session, me pacho yawo uko so when you break that for God and country jumedi and we now so follow na say they be an common air corner was no be interactive with us. We've told you, sir. Wa utie yen no enkomo bia ye di wo fie ha no e wo se wo ka ho. That is the reason why we have made available your social media pages, comment section. I'll call her. Idea obetimi de comment no. Edi ababeto ho edi amine. Wouldn't Brian Kwadia before I ever saw refuge media no so. You can say comment in ama. And also know, sir, once we have kept within our mind, within our thinking, within our thoughts, sir. So you know, you are very interactive, you know. And until ebono numa, you be a phone line to the two numbers. Our friend 0260 196064 0260 196065. And the show is going to be packed. But it's medicano nanka me ya budino ba me de same kakra flies no hu ye. And Nana AYEBIAFO JNANA. Oh, me and Papa wait. Said you my friend the party for so for the brutal. Banana or you very busy man. But once today Nyamia kara kuma amara bahadon kwa ade enkomono said you be kono GDP say you'd have your share of enkomona ebe free Nana JNANA and Cheng Abakai said Nana JNANA so do any chance sunyan du mesua wono na woye akoso hene ewo ho na uhuna na oya brand say because about 3 days here na me hwe no ewo TikTok no can be some no be hwe ya bi kwa dwendwen mu ahoma chen na so ade we de me bra ade a ebeboa me na mpampi no so no ya na otufufa ya nuane a ye die woni a enom nsa woni a ya niema bi a ensem fata na de safutu ni nyina e de ma yen ebra was ye didie niema bi wo ho a so otimi yi twa ho fi ho kakra ebema wapomuden na Nana AYEBIAFO me catch you say so the when it sunyan dumasua go and see the transformation over there. Corona sesa corona na me minim no dada no wa bra na me obie no say when it sunyan dumasua it's become a tourist attraction. Amount for said the two coin eko share changes one single person Nana AYEBIAFO ede abaho etin na nyame adom wa be kansa saso na enkomodie no eniche hopes na doe ye ka hopes na doe a ebre bi atwem no na okada the new patriotic party ho but now we are told sir uko UP United Party plus obviously UP plus party fufro na Alan Cherebantenga na what say ono ye director of operations nyame adoma oba be kansa wa ha saso na kane third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Omariwa Dieso, Ebeba Bepimu Fia, Sasona, Gabi Asoming so, Ebebe Fia, Orokasama, NDC, Amanyokono. So today, movement for change now, UP plus. Yanyan Tiese, Ebinimu, MPP, Amanyokono, Wamo Ekase. Aye, Dina, Wamo Fano, movement for change for our father. As I dino, idea ebe hamo pa na aye your member of parliament for Wale Dr. Kabiru idea to just idea New Patriotic Party for basically legal action against Alan Cheremanten and the party awate idea and that sort of UP. What do you make of this? Let's get talking about all these and more right here on SOMPA for God and Country. Now, yes, I say idea fango bo nyamia duma 16th of October. In 16th for. In 17th, they just say no idea fango buono yateso. But is that the case at the pump? And also somewhere you be DHA and now or say SCB entry gifty or worry mensa and omo Ancock absent as court adjourns the arcades. I think one national service for issue here beto gift your arrangement ene ose sibe ntwimu and some way ade a wo de mo akwa gina asem dibia but then say ne wa Accra High Court no enya ade a wo mo eba internasem no wo mo aye den omo adjourn to the next adjourning date, and of course we'll be communicating that to you. Nasakai say Attorney General Sabre what mo say ECG nsensem na ebeto abonten say ECG containers bia ayira no Sabre the Minister for Green Transition John Abdullahi Jinapo obuso wo wie nhwehwemu no nto de nhwehwemu na akwakodan Attorney General Sabre ono so tenase no akomu yie pa nti why ye be hu say wedi o man mu ni sika through the missing ECG containers in Jinano, ade a yerubuka kwagina asem when in komo any bia yebedi live here on Sompa 106.5 FM. Naka say jumedi your boafo a won maso asene Electroland Ghana Limited me patcho so to men kan dey we na obeto electronics a dey bia me kan fuma e hono ko abenya electronics papa first grade electronics na electronics ben no more types ben no more na machines ben alcohol obenya wo me patcho fan kamemo continue listening to the program make omo hu se matchero na kai say aye nso ba kwa abadwama nso sese a obia di echi a wo mo no mo kasa natural mineral water patcho ye birthday wo ye weddings na wo ye we yiyo a me patcho wo mfiefie mu a nsuo a was open echi akwan kasa natural mineral water na adentina me recommend them all stay on the show. I'm going to be talking about it. Somebody can catch us and kan wo ho num kro ho enya de de pa obi ho a wanom coffee obi so anom dot sa ma sabere ne sene nyina ye brown ekoba ne sa e wo so nya portion bia would be twitwi sia bibia be ye kama e de ama me patron ntina Leicester Company Limited for ya toothpaste ni ya toothbrush omo de abedwama nso no me nya ho asem nkada de bia da me kan ho asem e de achiro na me patron satie de say yade wo hoi ya ntina me dimafo herbal center Dr. Time da so me patron oh no yade na fa ho a wobete o yade ne te e de ama yade bia o de fa ho a o te ne te na he fa na o hwe ne chi akwan a wo be hu no number be na o frɛ ne si so a me patro obenya no ni nyina no ye mfa nkame ye tie for na wie e wo Sompa 106.5 FM na sakai bio say time herbal mixture maka che say ahoban boy dro kese pa it's a prophylaxis you need it in your house. Say the biada dano sorry no pa no abokakra nwumre no abokakra ade a me patro ade efre na ti di ade ene mreyo e wo ye nipadua mu no me patro anya ade a ebi ebeto woda. Now today on the brighter side of life there's a good brother of mine celebrating his birthday today, and I'm talking about you, Peter sabre wudi weni chire tachimana hideout ye wakuo bi a ye friend no HOB se kui ono ye vice president order no happy birthday to you yesre nyame ahoden de maw yesre nyame nyansa e de maw yesre se nyame be kan ho ejuma bi a wo ye bia no ejuma ne benyin afie adom mu akwa adom mu na mom vice chairman Piero ye be srew hwe ho ye yesi birthday party bi a wa hye pa wo de ba no boys no be ba mpatro hwe kwekwesie dumo ne woni akeka no be patro mo hwe mo hu ye e wo Techiman hideout because kwekwesie dui odonko ano de otime yiye no enya de kuma bafo mo nyina baba dwumadi na ase ne eye woni aka nyina meri nchakese ede emamo na sadia nkobo no tie no ni hye ne tie no medical catcher say Nana AYEBIAFO JNANA bako pe ovia Nana makwaba
yeah prof me just not say
oh Nana ma feel too much me who ye there
no cry share ya che
yes share ya be fra bia na da na tukwan ya be fra bia na tukwan na niema mu te sen
prof me ka say onyankopon da roma ahoden wo ho ye ho ye pa bibia ye fine yes I feel na mafimo because I say akwantu sa
yeah
and I'm buy so there are a few things that I need to attend to
you need to
Friday to minya ho man ha me pass
I am how because yes we are high ye dey tie for so frɛ Nana ade Nana man ne
say sompa de on say
your connection is very strong. I mean,
Sure,
I'm
sure.
really connected to the station.
Okay, that's fine.
My Friday and at times we do Hannah say we attend to some few things. Me were around in that time of Munkwandi, I would definitely come. Yeah.
Now, Suyan Dumesuya, when was the last time I called?
Me call Dumesuya Chakakra.
Hey!
Yeah, me call I member Hannah, so me
okay, that's fine.
Me call her Chakakra, but communication will be a cost.
A cost.
And next Friday, no more year communal labor. Many of Makasa ya bear 30 to 45 minutes.
Omo ye communal labor.
Yeah, every Friday be our moye.
Every Friday.
Friday be our moye.
Na dem pan wa ka kire omo ye. Aga na ha ye mpanyimfo ntimi nka nkire yen say e bia Friday bia no within our own communities and as Saturdays bia within our own communities no ahemfo dompo muma yenye clean up.
The thing is, I'm Matisa Bayananka say yes, Saturday sanitation day be first Saturday of the month. I think something is going on, but as I say, assembly no, assume. Because the baby was straw and age was straw na trickle down and what.
Nana, I the first time I mean, the first time I yet sanitation day, but they are not to assume.
This is here in government, you know, and shed is upon moon sued and then now all my trickle down from the Jubilee House, you know, now about all the ministerial side, the regions, you know, from the regional point of view, now saying about district, you know, now it be a municipality, you know. We understand now, quite to say be an area, Hano, say MPO area, Hano, who is say any duty say first Saturday of the month, you know, as I said in the constituency, ABB, and MC or Hane, on also, who is say any mandate is all making sure say BBC Kosoa, and on a babu, and yes, now was wrong one, they are lunching if a fair, not saying to one and more. Now, because you must see a den, I'm a no Macantia every time.
Sure. I
have executives that or more and a manager no my and there will be or done no about a year communal labor on Friday, sir. You be a and a human will make it was a Friday be no communal labor air coso.
SOMPA
Before the communal labor mebano or no him no one be here for that service. Now you provide it. And Indiana papa best 5:30 na man for has or more organize or more. A Jumon Bay no monim. Then they will go ahead and do it. Next my friend, Mama say their backgrounds now you see, you know.
Yeah.
Say make it space for baby do be a flowers and in me and to mo be a come. Almost say ne omo go to say whole place. Omo go to nyura na wo money na.
Wow.
Yeah, so like I'm saying, you know. Yeah, sure say you know. You enjoying to horse your fan crop for your mood duty and say on be making sure some of these things are going on. The abano Ghana is fiendo. Ghana is too dirty.
When him nanka question and baby bisa say who took one kwamanoni. Now we see airport. Now real kruma. Dem pa na
obi bia o tukwan ya Ghana ha o pie koba no. That nipa nim say onya tukwan na bedu Ghana pa na obuofu. Obi a unless we be a on hwe ade yi. And Ghana is very dirty. Yeah, you better say other countries we have so very dirty, but Ghana is too dirty. And said that me hunu no. Timamufo no eka hu bi. And I am paying for my mara as a ejuma. So at the end of the day, no, you the blame you na to paying for so. Oh, country be anyhow ko ha obi bi owo man mu no wadwen papa fokuro no ho. Ne mo mo hye mara say obi bia na won pekuro ni ye no. At the end of the day, you will suffer for doing that. And then so be ko Ghana nsu yo to bitimi kwa fa ni nwura ekogu gatam.
Nana saka.
There are many a wo ho video crowd online amanfo hu say nsu yo to na obi sese nwura go bolam. I mean obi so bola de go nsuom. And I think say as say mra no ye den and ebiom obeka me ma suggestion bi wo ha.
Yeah.
Say aban no betimi alenke ye prepaid meters na use we fee for AC.
Yeah.
To our dustbins ye de nwura beguma ye betua ka you bring your cars every fan maybe every 3 days or every 4 and be every week be I understand my crew must say tea and a mantamu na you foot tan so I buy bit me has here I this project of pavement blocks I make my seminar no mantamu way it doesn't cost so much money you just need to have the plan say up so yeah go bit me see the more in so far fine baby no even though enura and a ball and a cajon number 3 and a cajon here in futuro.
Na that's okay.
We on main road no so I have roadside no.
Enfuturu nkwa.
Enfuturu egu
anwia.
Na amanwura efifiu.
Efifiu enokre.
Design enfuturu nsuo taa na kogu gata no. Nti the more na aban no pavement wo kurom no. Na sa nsuo na yiyi no. Na what so because gutters choking no. So but I don't see why these people are not seeing this. Mejoyment has you. It's not difficult.
Anything.
FM. The ABA banning nima, the American say, Ubetimi in a district by district. District be or DC and I say MC be a municipality no or so. To the Abaya and say, Obe make arrangement for the machines in the blocks. No. Because in the whole country name, I saw decentralized. No. District be a one idea. Into the district as soon as a machine, your money 10, your money 50, your money 20. The way and say, overspend this go, but who create employment for the people. And at the end of the day, no, every croma come and swear you do na bejai. They're very simple. Say machine I use to do messiano pavement blocks in 12 at a go. 12
at a go.
It is a 24-hour economy. Now a binumu betray a bit metranop and adwa. Machine is a very strong machine. For a whole 1 year, nobody me using there be a change of oil been in the beer one day be on your juma. They be me a juma we are a binumu anajo. And a nipa 8. Is it 2 ebefra anwiano?
Sure.
2 besses anwiano de agum. 2 begin and one track. Not 2 so I then a blocks on edeko. Number 2 years spent every machine be a nipa 10 home. And when you be a man who could not so many on page maybe I know. A do time I am pack be a 5 almost over 15 people at every center. Into a machine with this was 261 district. Depending on the size of the district and the machine between 10, 20, and whatever. Until you get nipa employer.
Nana unjin di say aye candy for womo aye omudi enim as on mine edu bebia omo ye selfish.
I don't say selfishness in them because idea we are making a very simple. Ebi omo ntena se endwen ho obi ka bibi say issue enya difficult o.
Because you have tried it.
No, Okodumasia, and an individual person who is not a rich man. Just say what the idea with the support from some few people only get me the iron. The Abaya who sika, the machine, a pavement blocks and a base 200,000 Ghana cedi no. Who are buying all then in a Ghana hand into me a Sarfo and commit my non of Bayamana Wukon. Okay, there will be a guy into me, young China and called out. So I buy order, I cost right be a best 100,000 cities for one. But what does it say? Almost only 250,000. Until Tomako could be a best 500 and whatever. So I'm more cast of V8 back. A bit to machine winging. Until auto machine in the bar, district no, nay a mountain woman to no crew baby a Fidiani Sino. Now I employ Hoffo, like I'm saying, say 15 people for each machine. Now would you crack? Omodi and say, until Muksham, I need to go. Ebi a Friday be almost a communal labor. Chrome phoning in a man up engineers best 5 be almost there. Obeti be more. Other people know communal labor.
Sure.
I'm back on here. So every Friday, obeti best 3-4 lanes. Okay? Until within best 6 months, no. Now man tell me by PI okay. Ebedu baby no amount from Casa Robber no on van to form.
Baby.
Because man tell me you need on van to ho.
Yeah, no crap.
Now I'm not why if you put on no could be you are forced to throw it. Me, I don't get it. I don't really get it.
No.
I don't get it.
Me, sometimes me no wouldn't come say na me do fear. What I do is to reflect and to play back. I am come on me no word, no.
That's simple.
And sometimes no come on also no. Me send it at the man and crofo be. So what I say? We send the man paying for be, but still they don't act.
See, no crazy woman say. I say you have been call. Profit they make Kenya difficult.
Yeah.
Edin Kano. There were 2 major problems. Number 1, employment.
Yeah.
Sure. I ain't even though I think a Juma or I say Jumanim. Number 2, I felt a mura. Now a mura ne fine woman and I must have flooding in I see every year. No. Until I buy the bet me the bob back on. So what try say? A fino it goes along with say what she shall quino.
Now my employment so.
The employment beba.
Sure.
And I feel fino better so. Until the bob back be and I don't see this to be difficult. When he has been PhD and I say no. The only thing is important is say obenya engineer back could be every district in the Jumane so making sure say oboye pavement na omo de sa pipes no.
Yeah.
Ebi ahihye fam say kire bi in the future obi pese o twe nsuo ko ni fi a obetim ehia so omuntu pavement blocks no. Na omo fa sa pipes no. Eno akeke.
Ebushafo say afena odi we fidie na to SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Nana AYEBIAFO JNANA say odi we ni kire suan dumesu a ono ye nkoso ehene ewo ho. Ono na newie menene edin komo na menene wie a the new kid in the in town, the new baby that is being birthed politically. Sabre be hu say ebi mo start say wo mo twe ho da wie kakra. The UP no ye be di ho enkomo ye nua be ma ye bra penyin hopes and adoye. Ono no in charge of operations for the newly formed UP. Wababe cancer and the charity for Mobetenenka. But Nana, the fight against Galamsey. You didn't come debut a wahada. Nano are buying a civil society organizations. You think, say, na a needful ana?
Oh yeah, here on say the fight against Galamsey ne idea as will be I get it on board. But I mean my kind of several times. And I think I still stick to the same policy. Untimi and stop it Galamsey. The obetimi and say Obama alternatives.
You can't stop it.
You cannot stop it. Because
Dr. Palgrave Boachi Dankwa, we had a one-on-one encounter here. Now, as some of the two men say, Galamsey, you know, it has become an economy on its own. And you know, dealing with such menace, you know, very difficult unless you provide an alternative.
There's no government that will be to me and stop Galamsey.
And yes, you know, because why I say
the TN say I have told you this. Obi be anywhere obi to me I call land be so. I go to gold. Ewa bra ahemfo ewo area ho enim bi. What about to see I no ka say. To kana for ni chire mu wa aburi side here baby. Na drive wa udu baby na enwira ho ha na wasi. Now what penkrofo no mado do you body am say obisi fiesi ho. Acha within 2 weeks say amount for mama can get baby o si da na your mother. O the drive one question forest baby obviously walk inside. Na try say why I say we see a dan ho. People will come and tell you that the land belongs to them. Until land bia no e sha ahemfo bi nsa. So the first thing is say ahemfo wo area ho no. Say almost Galamsey so so baby no omo nimu a. It's a lie. They're very much aware. And then political campaign for what area see NDC for the was so you have to make sure say MC for any DC for any MPs no area no omunyina say something of the sort is about happening here.
Sure.
The yempen crofo mankasa wo mining site area no say concession e Ghana for ankasa na ye dia 25 acres na dia man obi or 10 obi or 20 ntino yes say mbra say first thing first area bia no it didn't kind of for inside. So we have to sit them down. Say on any bia no area ha and you can say o makwan ma obi yes Galamsey no the chiefs can do this. According to China a political campaign for area where MC for any DC for any MPs no they should also be aware of it. Then your bank for now mankasa own minds no. Until now no the government has to know say JNANA meme ya akora be kai say Christian for ne Koko village it koye sa evangelism na ya they come mining areas there is no way abekwa na nsu na say because that time no monya mining ne wonsu no mutu ofom ata obekọ ba bi no obi abepia ba no mo nyina ye ntwuma like obi ahwo ye call because omututu fom a eye omo ba China for no ene de sa chamfan yi ba ya de ama nsuo nyina ba de aye no nti wo ba na nsuo so na ya de afidie na sinsuo num na efutu nsuo ni frasa ene esensuo no so first is the government no enfa ban to us chamfan ni nyina so chamfan Ghana ha enfa chamfan enfa nuye tomatoes wo ha ana meboa ana ya de port ana de chamfan ye de to gold ana meboa so government no enfa ban into chamfan so
na chamfan the crown Ghana for na cross
the amount for no mo ye ne nchichi omu nyina because chamfan de koye den. You see at times no ye mpanyu for the way handle no man no minim say eya na ye too liberal say a week. See, one who said Trump or say Venezuela for the drugs. Every Venezuela for about US.
Sure.
Now every year, man for fentanyl, or more drugs, and more in thousands. and until who say any boat be a day drugs every Venezuela air crossing soon about bomb no. And I'm not say the fifth one on my bomb boat open so. According to my was a yamra, and they didn't always say yamra of because he knows say at the end of the day no sad drugs in the air by US no a kunkum crofo. To say don't bring it. To your government, I are buying a do baby, you should be a little bit radical. 1 year radical now to announce BB and Mram said it doesn't work like that. Said I make actually or any be any environment to be a galamsey as our hand only movie. They are aware. But just all my one time mechanical because pass the CA, call me Krum Dumasuya, not far away, go to oh, feel somebody can say this belongs to me. I know correct. So you're telling me, say, Nipa no galamsey or you don't know anything about no galamsey. At the end of the day, you know, Ghana, what they do is say, you go who and be the buano, you call envelope, say that man. Before they can be in the forest there, there's no way Obiako maybe say, oh, you go to Wajuma. Ever Brahim Fokrum Hono, only anything about it. And I be a header. I in fear Hono, Nipa Muni and Sabina can't boom no Magiska no more. It happens everywhere. So the government didn't say Galam say no, he can't stop it. Or better me regulate it. Until soon no more no. They should stop. No better me on Shase from him for no. You sit down with the chiefs, you know, the owners, the custodians of the land, you know. You sit down with them. And look at China. The political appointees are where we are. The Nimo Ghana a lot of MPs, a lot of MCs are among now mining concession. Baby, they Ghana for any. So the government goes there. Then Obi Biana Wankasa war mining site, you know. The government should make sure say baby one a benzo. Never regulations in Tohon. They see I say gold what about motor gold, you know. I'm to say I check foreigners because say Omakoton gold to Abra, Uncle Gold Board. Sure. So the government is doing this, which is a very good policy. But make sure say baby a year tuna gold in Abanason, oh regulate it. Now guys, I will stop here. How do you stop it? Okay, yeah, you're thinking how you cost tomu, I got to my then baby. Obi wa kurase or so no pano ko galamsi site. Ebi obe banyu no nya 100 Ghana. Sure. Huh? So 100 Ghana no na yere na made bi ni school fees bibi anti wo say ben konko galamsi. Now so money bibi oye no. How do you expect a person to stop? Che drugs crana the whole way who say illegal. Obi bi oye drug tum ko jail so many years no. Oko say Mexico no Colombia no more. The government there, they sit down with this drug cartels, you know. They sit down with them. I'm telling you, at times when they be a group in the best of 4 room, the government can sit down. No one can allocate areas will be able to be operating. Say by ya, I'm on Kukunkrofo street. In politics, you know, we should be diplomatic at times. And you be na obeteka say me the 2 akogina. Opa, my soldier for and go mine inside. Or Muntimin for how many months? Or move 2-3 months time, and the people will go back to the place.
But also the fight against Galamsey, none of them have a special role to play.
Special one.
The special one to play. Nano nominee the head of public affairs for the lands and natural resources. Na Mausi. Mene ni din komo bi wa ha na okansam bi. Na me pese sansem no me bo na sisia no na utie nsem a eye Mausi ekafa eye ahemfo a ono susu say wo mo say eye this illegal mining. And you know we dey besere say ye beko na yakwakutie eye Mausi ekaye. And you know na bacho ma membo the man na tie
who your hene na say wuti area na say you allow Galamsey to fester in your community. You are complicit. You are complicit, and the law must. Who your hene na say wuti area na say you allow Galamsey to fester in your community. You are complicit. You are complicit, and the law must.
Sao hene no complicit, and I say o kan ho bi na sa Galamsey no ekoso a sao hene no so mo be de
emrada ho emrada ho emra nobody is going to twist the law for anybody.
And you hene kra no Galamsey ne ekyerewa
who your hene nobody is going to twist the law for anybody. President Mahama Aka said no political appointee should be engaged in mining. Yeah. It is all of that feeds into the political will that we are talking about. How do you call it? Changing regulations, changing rana. It is also so that we want to be able to strengthen the local Ghanaian capacity to be able to address this menace, right? Ghana, we want the Ghanaians to be at the forefront of the mining industry. Large scale mining company. Namaba set it up. Yes, more funny power, say drivers, security. That's not what we want to see. At the management level, top level, which Ghanaian is leading that? And today that is why you are seeing that if you go to a lot of the mining companies, over 90% of top management are Ghanaians.
Sure.
Ghana for air drivers because the expertise is here.
All right, so Nana Mbachosawati.
And an American see, there's no way or he be say any area galamse unim. There's no way. See, you can say Paramount Chiefs are under them, or almost sub chiefs. They be a Paramount Sinankasa be American ne na yineso. Ntini be baby or no nima. At least or hen or house in the name area be.
Sure.
Ntino, ye galamse area be an or hen or onim. Baby are buying on to mean coordinated normal properly. Yes, I dear. Opa, who million baby as a Kokusia Bansu was a be mechanical land in any day.
But we've had a year I am for no be so more babon Tiamoso Mocase. Omo harder will be the crataba. Say we abang and the 2 mikrata say ometu a former goodie, the impesua so na nipanoso baswa. We shall rante di omochina, soja for be more di omochia. Almost omunishia, one more beca. See, Mamika be venture. Yes. Bribi a chemono. Na media house say all Ghana hanging and I baby wouldn't see go to Minko. Remember, first of all, radio station and TV, you have to spend so much money. And net Obibia phone a media house. Do your henny now area or ye by galam say or not truly wouldn't him be. Now wouldn't you interested at? And you're very difficult so when you be your interview about this me from my area galam say have minimum way. Huh? See what I'm telling you, people just come and then or more per excuses to be Messi or he be a year to galamsi one area no somehow or the other and own him. Men can say be on him who be say or Jessica, but he's aware say such a thing is happening within the jurisdiction because any possible say Ghana hey obeko be land so kwa ye fu uko si dan wa abra nipa na ma say land nya wo de ya and a galamsi ya anye back for na you omo don so mo di mfidi nam so you don't tell me say this is done in the night in the night time until be a wu. To be honest with you, no sure. But the attorney say, "Oh, say sika, you discuss Tony Paul." Nti bi a me on here making because making a him fi ni. Danke to ebi ni so on na him fi do ha na yakokuru be 200,000 Ghana cedis aba. On no hu bi da. Na say na ya ba gold o area and jewe a. Masa, obaje na ni be ba na so na what this Ghana bi. Ave chira bi no nti nka ho asem because what the kan je bi adi. So me say obi bia na ye to galamsey e woni mfichire no the person no na say me hu video bia school bi obe say 50 meters away Ashanti region
and ye to go to ho school ni na gold ni
Ashanti region. So
do you tell me say oh hina ho ni nim? No, people are aware. So the government you know say my video be about the repercussions of the galamsey no.
Okay.
In regards to our health. I always say obi abehwe say video no. See, a serious
video no way. I
think I have it on my channel, YouTube channel, Transformation Era. Transformation. What about gold and galamsey?
Okay. Sure.
A serious oh. In Sweden, hey. A bedroom baby, even Ghana, Yensu no cry or higher say a top bottle water nina contaminated. Because the attorney say cyanide on any mercury. Say urasa simo according to science, you know. Before saying BB a bit me, it will last more than 100 years. And it is I see we sign at the womb and I say mercury will no do a bunch of more. Banchena, what dear was on a bought with the cyanide or the mercury. Do you have a banchena or be the bancheno? Cyanide mercury in a beco system. It is a sea grand I say, ye jagalamsey from now, ye galamsey be why you are about 100 years more and send a land and abe back to normal. I didn't know the situation which people don't know. Some of you say, you can say passion because we know everybody is going to suffer from this galamsey menace. Na dia say sika wom nti we ne dan ya ne ja na very easy nti empanyimfo na form no yansi for mu a se see on say Ghana ha your politics na prof
yeah
akoye sika semo
true
I'm busy here with you so also better political party na wonni sika so be spend there trust me you cannot go to power because Ghana ni nankasa na ono obeto aba ma no or especially say obe the woman sika na wato aba no.
Sure.
Okay, I have idea. I want to serve this community. The Montua Mama an MP. Nanka Menqua Bamunko Bois, na yenye Kroni. People are expecting the men are messing Baba Servo as to give money. nti ono oba na odi ni nyansa ne na ho ade ba besa bukuru obetua sika ma se mo nto aba ma me a it means say okwa wi sika okay and nti no say obi hu say o asase na da ye kutuo sisi ye ya ye benya bibi say e fe ni gold a e sika solid money now bre na dey pay to bre no e sika nti wan hwe yi a ni jai no ye very difficult because people need money to help the political parties and the money ni wo for asase mo kutu a utu ye na anwumre na osesa sika
we share buying otisu sisi ana. Do you think or the political will to fight it?
To be honest with you, Nancy, na me video we post here. And no more say since 1992 all the way to some years, lines is a hold by them man or more mining. And then from 2017 by 2024 when the mine and this year no o check almost will be
alliances.
Okay, that's what I heard.
I cross-checked from their website.
No correct. And then no abano yen is a manenka wana. Because so far, no, you are man lines is already one more lines no almost a day. Until the one who's almost be lines and more lines no. Are you sure say lines is no more using it properly? Okay,
that's another question.
That's one thing. And as a be among go baby a man for a galam say no go you musika don mo among for gold no. So what can I galam say why go gold no or monko or make shame to declare. No, that's the fact. I mean, Madam will be na me can
yeah, I believe you told me that story.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because when you be for instance, so we ba say go do we. Na me galam say I make go do her. I'm busy here. Over can me go to be any here. And then or no I know you go to be here, you know because say when man for go to be here because also go to be anywhere. That I can channel. And these are what is happening around. So the point is say I buy no. So why you ready say obe fight galamsey, which I think that obetimi aya. On fire for enka ho. MC for no time for monka ho na for mining contract for monka ho.
Okay.
Na you make sure say am for me chamfan yen chicho mu nyina. You say obi use chamfan wo de koye dey you dua tomatoes, wo dua emo. Wo de koye galamsey. That person must be arrested. Or mo chamfan no must be arrested. Gradual then Ghana for nyina so fire ho shem somehow no you will be able to get to a point boy because galamsey no everybody is affected. Everybody.
Mami na say Nana AYEBIAFO Jana me pacho a draw we dey bia be ka ho nsam akiro time herbal mixture maka kiro say ahoban boy draw kese pa say wa wenya malaria fever we no mato a wontimi ndidi honam nyina ye oya time herbal mixture e na betimi abo ho ban we dey we kiro drugstore pharmacy shop bia dey a won sa be ka bomoden na friend number we so person to be ton wa na say odi hu dwa 02444 17669. That's a KBO, sir. Dr. Medimafo Herbal Sector, and I said Dr. Time that so or that Medimafo Herbal Center no one so or you be a bani yadi mu ankanka yare kwankro or yadi pa or chese or ye bruta obi a wenya nyoduye usisi ya oya unyonku no nyonku wenya sitire yade bema junso ya woso junso ne mba papa ana se mojabroso a friend hypertension ana wahra no brebuom no your fertility issues me pato bomoding eye Medimafo Herbal Center Dr. Time that so or no and me pato sabre wodo ho ko dan na obetimi ahwe yade entam so pa nkran ha o hwehwe na ne cha kwan e wo poko ase mayira wo kumase a wo agogo biere gama school ne di enhwani mo Dr. Time that so or say the Lord is our ultimate healer. Remember you can call him on 0244 774282 and 0500 727215 na endi che ye no be now, before I walk back on, say one who said there's a new baby in town. Wow, Usha means a year Nifasua. One said, I could consider the yellow bee, a blanket, waha. What do you make of the transformation from movement from change, Alan Tremanting's party, to now a political party? It was a movement, now a political party. And a dear Omafano, Omakofa, the UP. Nana, what do you make of it within the political space?
Okay, so Opanyi hopes that the minister several times.
Okay, that's fine.
And I remember say me program I invited them and they came.
Oh, movement for change.
And being sincere, they came. I was shocked. You know, among all the political parties in painful. You invite you to do Masiano.
Yeah.
I know a movement for change for and Kwame. Nana Kwame, what is it called? Chada. Omo mienu and omo mpanyimfo no etu omo nam omo ba kru no. In fact, and about that day, na Dumesu Nibia or Ghana Most Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, he was there that day. I'm about to share him for them, and he pledged to say every week biano obema 1,000 you better obama krano. And I found out say every week he was sending it. I asked my PA, or see every week he will send the money say Monfine and give vote to Mano. I'm very grateful for what you did coming to my town.
Oh yeah. Chronomorph.
That was a problem to car. Play for play with do. Wow. Yeah, they came. Until I did many so. And I personally went there to see Mr. Alan.
Yes.
In the office. You know, and I feel say, a lot of ideas. A lot of ideas. Benjamin Craig Benjamin can say, Alan, he would have been a president that time when Nanado was pushed. He supported Nanado because I remember saying, "Omo to abaniwi eno." Now be any sort of Nanado any mudi. And I learned say he said, "Okay, you should go."
Sure.
And the next time, until he will be as and cannot on nam kwano so about president in the MPP dim.
Yeah.
And a lot of things happened, as we all know. Until democracy is very good. It's very important for this modern world. And until as many parties with people with good ideas, you know, should come on board. Okay, should come on board. And I think that open in case you idea, maybe the small suggestion before so do Mr. Alan. So
all right.
I think that and a lot of ideas and all good intentions for the country. So I'm try now to link all the other political parties now. Any MPP ni NDs, you know. Because when it comes to democracy, we hear numbers.
Now that's not kind of. We'll say a special appeal, but now we'll make it.
Appeal, say now they are coming as a party, no. There are many small political parties. I feel say omunim say kwa bana. At the end of the day, 1% kwa yenya. But every year they will still spend money and they want to be on that until or no ever as a political party. Now say really he means business. My suggestion is say all the other small parties that were in China, AB or Mona Hadanyi for me, you know, they should all team up. Because to be honest with you, NDC and MPP, you know, almost stronghold in some. And it's very easy for anybody to defeat MPP or NDC. So a third force coming means that all those parties in Ghana should team up. Say, Uncle for me, you say a fight here. We have to all come together, use a strong energy and fight them. So you fight your movie now in Ghana phone trouble MPP and NDC in Kwana China, fine. But now we need to team up. Yes, it's very easy. And I know say the energy they are coming on board with, you know, if they can sit down with all those small political parties away, we are coming with new energies. You guys should come and support us. Let's move forward so that we can fight MPP and NDC. Yes, it is going to be very difficult. So yes, suggestion I made them. They should try to talk to all those small parties, you know, and see or more intention. No, I'm gonna say you guys should come and support us. We are coming with new energy. Support us and let's see what we can do.
So we can have a third force.
Sure, third force is important.
Nana AYEBIAFO JNANA.
But I can't do my first one.
Do my baby. I know you had the better.
Okay.
But there's one question. Yeah, but the name UP no more fine. No, say now doing.
UP. I have not gotten time to look into it, but I think it's a United Party.
United Party.
Yeah. So the word speaks for itself. If we need to really fight any serious battle, we need to be united. So united in that sense, you know, is a very great one. That is if they're able to unite everybody on board.
Sure.
Like I'm saying, you know, I personally feel say Ghana and MPP and NDC. For any other third force to come on board, they're very strong, you know. You need to be united by gathering all the forces from all the other small political parties and then face them. Yes, it's very, very difficult because already, you know, they've bought almost everybody. Because some people see the political parties like their life, like religion. And this me wo NDC mo na ye beto aba na say NDC nya ade kra na I just want to vote for them. Me MPP no mo nya ade kra I have to vote for. I said religion, no. So for you to break that, you know, you need some serious energy, some serious force to be able to break that up. And I'm thinking say a very wonderful say your party akase me ensa o Ghana ha. You be around say be na 16 years.
SOMPA.
Do me be lose aba be no party na gu. No, serious. Say you got three strong parties. They be NDC ni MPP ne bia make UP abeka ho na obi atimi win election. It means say we lose we be ko 80 obenya na 24 years na opportunity yagu. So anytime you have any chance you want to maintain power by doing things that be encouraging growth.
Na Duma Fest.
Yeah, so Duma Fest. Duma Suya Festival and Street Carnival last year, I mean, 2025, we knew the Kwajonchi buy, the Kimpaluta buy, the Nasi buy, many other wonderful artists buy. In 2 days, in Saturday and Sunday. This time around, no, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th January 2026. I had the wonderful artists buy. What we intend doing is going to be big. Last year, the best 35,000 about This time around, we anticipate something around 50,000 to 60,000. And it is a program like this, and a huge. All the 2 types of editing So this time around, we want sponsor to come on board.
Sure.
Until you will be a sponsor, not per se, or not ban or sponsor any of the program. Now, because say, Oba on board that now be sponsor, yeah, the microphone people will drink, people will eat, do business. Be a person, you born the room. Oba say, you can come back on to sponsor. And then what you will tent a month for behind.
Sure.
That people can come and rent a tent. They say, aduane ahodo aduane Ghana aduane nyina ye de bi e ba ho nte bi afufo na pese wa betimi aba emo aduane bi apese ye bia no you can come over there na wa ba beton but obeje a tent nti tent na ba beje no oba ne bo ne nshada nyeden nti what I want to do, I want to give a number.
All right, that's fine.
Bia obi e wo business bi wo ha e bia make we pure water factory bi o pe ba bia nipa wa obetimi akokoton wonsu a oba na obeso ya sene a e be boa ama bibi etimi fine ana say bia make we so person okoton aduane bi wo ha na bi attend the number ni
okay
0541 915 5450 Messi number is be 0541
915
450 o Freddy Paden friend George o friend say do my first so person obey sponsor and na person obey vendor onu be din komo na wa ma the whole procedure no how be fa betimi
there are lots and lots of messages on Facebook.
Yes,
and
I've seen the messages.
I've seen the messages and I can go through all the messages. And to I'm sharing of Facebook, you know, we want to say a big thank you. And then Nana to you better was pass every Friday. Over Gracie program no at the mind, but people cherish what you really say.
Thank you.
And we want to say that God bless you.
God bless you.
Yeah, that's a passer by.
That's it.
Okay.
Oh,
in fact, me call the crew no.
Yeah.
Manage you here pa. Because some me try the engineering and breakum. Eti ho de na me di ho akoni
okay.
But who twam ho no mo a. Na kwa say you could to be just say you grab
yeah.
But this time round, I'm fat to Ayade. The way I wire no, if an individual can do something like this, I didn't see a day.
To me,
crab, Bassam Fandi Ropo area now. I think the DCs in Bunu region should come and learn something from your community.
And I know DCs yeah.
So, in fact, me share what no say. You see, that we were plans be. Those days na me were JNANA nka me pese me koye MCU pon. Chese, ne plan na nka me wi ani na.
Sa.
Company say go hon mo pa na chese. Wura hon mo a wunhu kro no shape ni ade no. And so,
thank you.
So me support you. Apart from Nana me de bano. Now every week be a me ankasa on my own. Now me vote 2,000 so. Every weekend.
Wow.
Yes. Every weekend.
Thank you, Hobson. Thank you very much.
Me adopt you and say na me train in kache.
Okay.
You do my face.
But you may invite to officially no
me ko book me room untem.
Thank you very much. That's a fire. We show well. Thank you very much.
All right. So thank you so much. You have a call break, but Hobson. Baraku ways all
yo efonama
Baraku for ale Kenya farmer
me kata mile
milia ale ke strong play view
agbanya first time
agbanya first time the garamia pa home ale Kenya home
afianya kpo
to konye kobla abuchi family am imachu
du kamene jo
anya bachu aduto so ga kopa aduto ga ke danye chu abo abo view me abo cloud to view me.
Oh good. Anya be nyama da tropo bia ja.
O je ba jan lo?
Ko bia ja nyama.
Oh, e ka be America Kumamiya. Ayo. I was we're going to go on a break. When we return, lots of issues to be talking about over here.
Chimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuniama Panina Swabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front and Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and that's a backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Roberto Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa Kahunina. Now, when in Bribi, it count for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's Robertadie. Kahu na senya.
To me, Chenyawa, any petchemo, and not dear bedachi. Now so, who bit me up one of manena pomodin free mofrasi. Yam vita, the milk pap pebi, minutrivi, aye, ye, unquada etiania, aye, day, na amodia a woman of warm of frapomodi. Anyo, in penny for swinging, chopa. Mawobano apomodi premium frasi. Yam vita gumo do bebre. Yam vita, a delicious way to grow. FDA aji ejedi in kratoyatu.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enyasem ketua. Wo mu ji international awards ahodo, wo mu ji local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill roundabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. 0540-311-311 0540-311-311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yanum sani efadwen. Ne efadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ya ne simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esi na nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebwa nipadua no. Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yin so ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ. Samene wa anka fi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74. Se mennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia. T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa. Wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to no bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to. T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu. Eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atom.
To me, Chenyawa, any petchemo, and not dear bedachi. Now so. Ubit me up one manena pomodin free mofrasi. Yam vita ye de milk pap pebi. Minutrivi aye ye unquada etiania. Aye de na amodia a woman of warm of frapomodi. Anyo in penny for swinging chopa. Mawobano apomodi free mofrasi. Yam vita gumo do bebre. Yam vita a delicious way to grow. FDA aji ejedi in kratoyatu.
Ghana first. UP. Ghana first. Then the second one is UP. Party Papa. UP. Party Papa. UP. Party Papa. The third one is UP. Ghana shall rise again. UP. Ghana shall rise again. UP. Ghana shall rise again. UP. Oh, say yeah.
SOMPA FM.
Listen to me. When I shout UP, you say Ghana first. UP. Ghana first. Then the second one is UP. Party Papa. UP. Party Papa. UP. Party Papa. The third one is UP. Ghana shall rise again. UP. Ghana shall rise again. UP. Ghana shall rise again. Let's do it once more. The first one is UP. Ghana.
The vision of the United Party is to make Ghana the economic powerhouse of Africa by 2040. By 2040. And that is what we call Vision 2040. And we are branding this as the Paradise Project. So by 2040, if the people of Ghana, by the grace of God, install us in power, then we promise them that by 2040, Ghana will become a paradise. Now, you may articulate your vision, but what is it that you are going to do to realize your vision? That is what your mission is. And our mission as a party is to build one, a united, peaceful, secure, and prosperous country. Can you become the economic powerhouse of Africa if you are divided? No. Can you become the economic powerhouse of Africa if there's no peace in your country? No. Can you become the powerhouse if you are not secure as a nation? No. And this, together with prosperity, is what would make us the economic powerhouse. And also, our mission is to provide equal opportunity for all Ghanaians, not for some, but for all Ghanaians. What we have been witnessing since independence is that the opportunities are open for only a few people. The United Party is going to change that dynamics in Ghanaian politics. And it is to provide the opportunity for every Ghanaian to realize their full potential. If you want to become a carpenter, we want to become the best carpenter in Ghana. If you are an electrician, we want you to become the best electrician. If you are a doctor, we want you to excel and become the best doctor in Africa by 2040.
United we shall stand, united we shall win.
SOMPA
United we shall stand. For Ghana we shall fight, for progress we shall strive. United we shall fight. In victory we shall march, in faith believe and hope.
This is SOMPA. Feel the heat. SOMPA.
United we shall stand, united we shall win. United we shall stand. United we shall
AYEBIAFO SOMPA 106.5 FM Adali 5 minutes to 4. Me pacho anthem where water is here. Aye the newly birth political party in town. Aye the UP. Se me say ewo omukra tedum kra omo the plus biasa so the UP plus womo anthem a se omo ko shemu ewo dwabo biasa a nyumu a omedi kan abo na mpacha wa wutie yan wa bonten no anamu abuhwe wo Facebook YouTube elsewhere no mutie antem no masomu agemo san we dia mame nko na me ma me ame papa me bra bibia hopes na do akwa babio hopes ye ba akwa ba
ye nia
bibia boko de
nyankopa no
enu ade mugimani o
oh papa
Ghana for who say yeah
antem na enye de
enye den
abo bi esini bia
ozi na antem na enye den
de abo bi is de ben de be enye de bia
Amariwa bi me ma kwa ba former national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Amariwa, get closer to the mic for me. Me ma kwa ba na te saying. I don't know open minimum.
O say
I don't know you
me so.
Na be ya boko there.
Adom.
Na de o ye at the start of the trading.
Say Osono crowd ni kwan yam sisi no.
Osono ben.
But say Lumba nyon mame.
Lumba nyon ben na mumu ni antem.
They say a friend say na boy be some more crow no dwi. As some more crow nso na dwi.
Me dey be need anyo.
Oh say yawo. Oh say abafranto any 2 weeks. Ne last fan a new 2 weeks.
Yes.
Oh, ebegu. Omugu susa. Omu refi omu 38% no.
Oh, 41%.
And you're 41.
Oh, damn.
Now, more media for crap, more misleading the public.
Oh,
look. Wait.
No, but
Wait.
Okay,
wait.
Hobson, Mamity.
Wait.
Good.
Jamaica declare elections, you know.
Sure.
President Mahama was 56 point something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anna Mahmoud Baumia was 41.7.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
And was how many constituencies?
No, see, Akabe. Is it 6 or about?
That can 9.
9 constituencies.
Bako 9. So don't deceive the people.
Oh.
Mahama moved to 57.75. And Omuba 38.3. They should stop it. Now that you say you no mu you hodomo mama for
and Hobson say you call EC website now. Figures now
kululu. I am telling you for a fact to say after the final run, Bawumia got 38.3. John Mahama got 57.75.
And one year
according to the gospel according to Hobson. But do be any there. Sa 9 na o ka se yerebe ka Mahama nya mo no. Ablekuma pe NPP and cry to Jimenez and they can win. So if we want as a woman, if we want Patrick Boama,
what check president? Mo facility in Cheseboa. Presidential mu beat him. And that's an idea. Mr. Presidential mu beat him.
Oh, Governor Boko. Na every emi former shall say ntem do.
Gabi say amafo say ahochere o.
Oh, Dabi, yeah. Any kind of mention. Mamma,
yes, I'm going to bread.
Any kind, what Mamma show, and I'm in show. Menka say, Wafidi, quite cheap.
Yes, some
Pandra, we are many number, Binam Tissamon for Trini to this branch. Wow.
Yeah.
Now, Oshe, United Party and Rape, and Omia, the Omudom Wedi. Now, when you're director of operations. About Fidi as well. I just say, I want to boost some connect.
Oh, as for that one, true. Because Enrakra, and I'm saying, Enrakra, my main child, so you need almost party, the national chairman, Crackasai.
Okay,
that's right. Sadiq.
More yard, I can fool baby say, Sabi, Mamma, I can't say, Sabia. Or see a decamp for a baby, be
the Una with 2
but the as well candidate, Mijitum says Sabi, Senka, we cram me to Sabi a day. Senken NDC, President Mahama, I'm a Joe Mai 2024 offer, but this and Paul Kasabi, but sister been Tessun what a friend weddy. Babia no my way con, no, na o money coba be a new Hunkasa, it would be a Bitimi dwene sans e yan hwe so ye for besa ba jo man yo. I'm talking about the previous administration. Because hwe niam no mo ya na won ka the honorable Canadian Bombeka was they were selling like there was no tomorrow. Omo bokro no say wa kina ni ho. And look at what is happening.
One can.
Canada Japan.
Oh, Ankasa.
What can I say?
Oh, Ankasa.
David.
Chama ya. Mahmoud ba mi agrasa on ba ya manfo be branya ska na me say na yoko for mon friend no me kire o mo munya ska ne. What you say? What's your mama by one Cassandra for Nanyeska? It is all my friend or no.
Can Cassam no.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Can Ben okay.
Canada
president.
And yet this year, don't delegate. I'm walk as
oh, yes, and okay.
Your person be
2024.
Over the MPP enemy. On us on okay.
And then I'm a chef figures be Iron Rosa somewhere general and 1 ton 9,000. I do best
just to set the record straight. Okay. Yes, Canada Japan has accused officials in the New Patriotic Party government of stealing or looting state resources.
Like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah, like there's no. Yeah, like it's here. It's
on the kind.
On the kind. I'm just fact checking this.
Okay. Ebe to about okay.
Yeah.
I got a photo tia. Hello, there's about me and me lusu
yeah.
Now when the UP party, it has come at the right time.
There be my fan starting free hopes.
Okay.
You see, I'm here there. It's funeral.
No.
Mambo NDC, Momo party anthem. Another man called boy NPP party anthem.
Okay.
And the anthem now, my boy, my facing on Mankasa. Hopefully, but why the transition so fast? Movement for change. Movement for change to a new political party. But I saw this coming. And last week, maybe two just say. A movement for change. Baba Dane, a Amanyoko, and Samanyoko no be UP. Be UP, and Ampa, and no Adano, and I'm called lunch here.
Oh, who can say be UP?
Beside that, but Tape Roy. I'm a Bonchano. I mean, who said be UP?
I see.
Yeah, and but
also Diana.
Sudan, I mean, who's I did yellowy, party yellowy. I said this time around, no. Baba Dane UP. Empire Maswa Pagay. Not them. And see, social media, Mamma was Yakway. I then we repete. I see me young with the interview.
Ada Oversonda is a one Loto numbers and Fatu Janama for Nipa.
Oh, sir. Me Backman movement for change. But me no Masuda who some no party na bano. Masuda who party no. Me say party no, aye UP.
Aye
UP.
UP don't have it.
Me na you me who you. Me say who P.
Hey.
And the movement for change there. Me dey me say Masuda. Na me who you. And me who's P. All right, another hono.
Anya we a prophet ampa.
Oh, betimi forecasting here ma be brave. Betimi forecasting here ma be brave.
When we say one thing throughout the transition in ano. One thing we can trust ourselves for confidentiality.
Confidentiality.
Yes. I just say, I didn't obey the holy kid. Obey the holy kid. I just say, you didn't know more to say, you better than a day. In fact, you know, other regional executives, interim executives, they didn't come more year in they kept it. And I say, ya take off you pa.
Yeah, unim de ba me hu sa.
Davi.
Me menya adwen bi say party na mo de ba no. Mo target pa the New Patriotic Party. Say mo betwe omo members. And the tradition also so no UP tradition. So that was where I picked it from.
And your calculations near good. What I think is right in the right direction. I just say, and then we know who can say just after Edna and across the country, when I tell you the number of MPP for minimum, or Munimiakasa, some are offering to be constituency executives in the Oh, yes. And there is no two ways about that. There is no single constituency in this country. How many grounds were on? Constituency Mubiano or contact people. Our Honoma, many or more a year. That's how it worked. Many a tea, near your Juma boom.
Oh, my idea.
They make car grounds as someone. I don't think say. Or better to me back so on it sapepepe na party ya na bi mu entinu ma biase ada Alan resign from MPP 2023 na no yes ye form party eti ya trans na ye hu se no ebrenu so ana sankrofo ye no modeli
nkrofo benya
MPP for no say one train or content temper or movie brown.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
And the mutual
and you know, say, ye casse, ye register party that time one. Or more bemu. They can use their incumbency, no. Na or more dear phobia, or more never shall my license in the day. Quite beyond the first one because you don't qualify for a license, no. Obey the that time, no. Now you're too late. You hold on with the party and yes, and you won't call independent. It's independent in our walk on. That's say, yenya vehicle via Yadibe running the campaign and movement for change. A buy. I just said no, near the year. And the movement for change in the now to say pressure group via Yadi running the campaign. So on it, you know. It's ye no. And I fear senior this time no. We have 4 years ahead of us. It's a bit my party to tune your money now. I will be intimate say or sabotage because I don't know. Yes, if I did Bakumi and Fabra, what is our mammy and Sanoqua? I didn't ever say won't qualify. So on it,
sure.
But election year cruise, no. Or be to me, I hear you cry. Tell me the way you crash a table as a cry or application of cry you. Just a quite long before bit my sabotage you. They can do it.
Not until I was some dreams.
That's why you say they are now in your politician. Oh, coalition, you must know your plan A, B, and C. So on it, until we see I say in the basic, we see I say in the basic. I saw we just add no. Now, ultimate planning. Yeah, and it's another support in the way. Eti you pinidia. Said the kind of a broad base. Anna, yeah, centrist. Oh, political party be our ideology. MPP a center right. NDC a center left. Yes, you have a centrist. Inti ye jina mfimfi na ye jina no. Adia a papa values papa e wo left. Ye betwen aba mfimfi. Values papa e wo right no. Ye betwen e de aba mfimfi. Eti ye de no. E papa enko ana e den e ko. Anu nti and you say, yeah, no, yeah, ma the opportunity. Ama or more bemobu. Nipa bibri or Ghana na or more person better politics bium. Or more just say oka politics pa no more than no money.
Sir.
Just say or more bemobu. So UP is coming as alternative for a bit my boy ama or moye. We are seeking to build a united Ghana.
In Kaboom.
Kaboom. Like Obia Huninia, who say yes, Ghana nini. At the point, the Krumha enye moon was out.
Nanto was catch say at the point, you know, and what it to two and one Ghana ha yen enya bako.
And na yen bako.
And na the yen bako. But the baby tremono, ne enya bako. Na inchichemu.
Obinya okra oba bepa woni so.
Really?
Oh, Kofi na wusru. Any ade. Really, as if we say na wunti groma. Na wunti groma na.
Me.
Na wunti groma.
Wona okay.
I thought that mo yebu program ye kra na mo Kofi kra na musru. Mo nka no kre na mo tete. Mo ba na mo ayebu ho say na bibia ye okay. Enso na enye okay mama.
Ba se say ba se say o ka kire me say. Eye o man nkaboma ba. then what else are you seeking to do in terms of uniting the nation?
Me say what you say? Same face no.
Okay.
Then so enye ye kra.
Amoba bo behye mukina.
Ye behye mukina.
Good.
Ana sha ye behye mukina ne say. One we say emre bia na line ka nkabomu aban. Was here was so many talents. Ye wasted talents no. And this wa ban. Obi wo MPP. Nipa no hu say we good pa obetima solve. O dem ma menyu so Frimpong Boateng.
Yeah.
Frimpong Boateng. Ye name the specialty. Frimpong Boateng wo Germany. Say broni ko hospital no ye adwuma. Na Frimpong Boateng ni ho. O man e yonko broni krampo enhwe na koma ho asem ma no. Obetwen no. Because say omunim say oye good.
Sure.
Obeshe MPP mu. Say what if you talent no? Are you waste? What you say? Enti say ye kase ye nkabo mu aban a. Ye nhwe se Frimpong Boateng MPP ni na nka kwakotwe na ba. Ukwan disi mu ho say nipa simasi oye good. No kwakotwe na ba. Doctor bia watini baby a wonye politics. Eso so no obetima be handle baby na wo de na ba. Ayi lecturer bia wonu so kire nkwala de wo say we say ye ka say wo ma me education a baby obetimi de aduni. You know, wo yes ana. Wo fi say de na de aba. Wo din ka bom aba. Enti so obi wo NDC mu no wo alanchemanchen aban mu a Gabi epe bibi wa ban mu a obetima akwasa nipa no ho say oh me nua sade we na me hwehwe obetima aboa me ana obetima fa phone afro bi oh me nua yi ba na se makola yi ba me sro wo nhwe sade we ma no etiaba mo obi ani age eno ahu asem de ye ka na nye kokuta kwa ban o
enti ebrebe twemuri na nye de se de wo kire na enti sakra
ebinsi wo Ghana
ebinsi da
ya ye nkabo ban wo Ghana da.
Oh, so there was a time a friend is saying Dr. Parkway Sindum was given an appointment by a friend is saying is it Jekufo?
I don't know nkabo maban. Anya nkabo maban. Anya nkabo maban. What man appointment no? Why na who na no friend is mu anu oga ho? Can you mention one? Anya nkabo maban. What you say? Enti why wa picking crofo from all sectors abano? Afi say yɛmfa nsa Alan yɛ president ne na wafo obi free MPP wafo obi free NDC ne de ne policies bi aba a yɛ de kɔ parliament NDC MPs on wo honom no anim sɛ ɔmo nua no ɛna de ayi aba no do you think sɛ ɔmo bɛ sɔrɔ atia ɔmo sɔrɔ ntia MPP ni di aba MPP fo hɔ betima aka sɛ ɔmo sɔrɔ atia because ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo nua na wɔ hɔ ɔyɛ na sɛ yɛ yi a eye plus edema omo anameboa eno na ye hwe se ye betima ye e makro nu aiden akonanim.
But Hobson, people seem to have problems with the Edina Mwafano, the UP.
Ayoma problem.
Ayoma problem. Dr. Kabiru. Onyanse de oka.
Obi a wokita PhD. Okasa se ya. What does it mean? It says I didn't know go kwa. What you say? I didn't know Gokusian, what Kusiano kwa.
But say you can't share and crack a moi. Meaning say October 1965.
Don't sound like an ignorant.
No. I'm not going to be ignorant, okay. But be from the conversations that I've heard, I don't know if it's two anymore. Because they made an argument, October 1965, and Omoti UP party, is that right?
Yeah.
And I'm also October 2025. And I'm also my resurrected UP. No?
Yeah, resurrected Yati UP. Yati UP.
It's not a resurrection.
Me say Yati. Resurrection saying Yati
FM.
And you know, and so you have that saw two parties in them.
Say Oye Ghana ni.
Sure.
No akwa pie mu America. Na bia Ghana for Atiku na yedi wasi ano does it mean say Ghana Ghana we ye Ghana ni eno ano no eti UP ni yate ye UP for ni yate UP ye wie obi obeka say wo ho problem bia no e yo no nasem ene so obi ka say wo the UGCC e ba be ye political party wo ha say ya emra bia ntimi mra ne say ontimi nyusu emra wo ho sese no say Fourth Republic ya ye wo mu political parties are back from 1992 up to now omo records ni na ho omo ni mo bia din obia symbol obia colors ene ne ekeka ho enti no se wo pese wo register party ene na se wo kokofa Progressive Alliance am mo party no ba ko body Eagle party Eagle won se na Eagle ba omo omo disqualify omo so omo ntimi nyusu Eagle party because omo de Eagle na nkasa ye symbol I don't see there be ene no ye national enti no omo ntimi ana omo yi any free honum ana kokoye bibiti say Eagle ohun ye every Ghanaian living everywhere ana omo de anoma so eto ana kokoye sa enti bebre ni ana bebre na efre no Eagle ne ne ka.
But even with your party ne kra mwate no mo di plus bi aka ho UP plus
UP plus na de enye plus in the west is a PLUSO
plus sign
sign
but
enhance UP.
Then it means that we will refer to the UP that was formed. Then it means you are enhancing that which was formed.
Listen.
Yes.
Phone when you go down.
Me use Samsung.
Near heavy.
Is it
Galaxy saying? Once Galaxy yeah, me dear Ultra. Ubenya Galaxy no the same thing. The same as you. But prices in here different.
True.
Anna, ukita iPhone. iPhone 16. Ewo ho. And ye wo iPhone 16 Pro Max. Etukwa ni open no. No ato. It is a usika enos one. No a 16 is a no ato. But wo usika kakra odi bi beka ho a no ato Pro Max no. Now for Pro Max na according to them no wani mu kakra ewo nuama bi ho saying the ordinary one.
But I'm following. But the more register no UP no mo the plus na kan ho as more register no.
I don't do we need to write everything. No.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, the United Party. UP. But your person who say a UP plus.
Okay, that's fine.
What would you make it?
Yes.
Your constitution, everything we submitted. Yeah, constitution BBAO.
Wow. That's even in this document that I'm having. Who say there are excepts of the constitution.
That's right.
Yeah,
Anna. Yama all interim executives, national, region by region. You can say electoral commission. And one day penny sorry I say you register party. We went just after the elections now they started say yeah you Juma ya up to this time. Let you know. So because of problem with the name na as or no ankasa. So on you know.
But I've also heard some political pundits be more say Mokpe a united party as you have claimed UP now. The name UP no. Our Ghana for a dream will be brave, linked to the tradition of the NPP. You know, Nipa mo be mo aba a year momo side no for the UP party, UP plus party no.
Yeah.
A idea on free NPP for Hong Kong aba. A be more free NDC ni other parties no emma.
How will you know? Party there, obia pe party a ope. There ko to abala unity nipa bebre FMPP mu ko NDC true of us.
No crepa.
Yes, enti baby a nipa ne pe no. E hono. Ya nkasa na ya UP fo no. Ye FMPP mu NPP ye. What you say? O ka UP na wo mo hu ye na data malanche manche mo mranche na no mo e wo hono no. O mo nyina hu bi. O mo papa mo sponsor parties no na ene o mo se o mo na ete so no. No mo papa mo de asoja for tata UP for no. No kra ni MPP mu nti.
Oh no kra ni MPP mu.
Na no kra MPP mu anga na yekozo ibekozo. But all the anya omunti ne wa hase nti o de ma me fa no. Ma me fa no ti o. Ah, na ka mi ne ko ti ase aga why mo bo say. Why je djuma sa afi de.
O mare wa de ayo mo bo.
Chairman, vice chairman kakra wo di amakwa kwa Jeffrey ni tem. We nyina ye papa. Eh papa.
O de masa ba on change ma me nko o mare wa de. O mare wa de.
O pa bribe me go say that.
Ba o kra me nyana ntie say.
No one say me say. What di body bia na da be she me.
Because me kra me nyana ntie say. I say UP na o mate no na no na isi udi nkomo be bi unya obeko. No kre.
UP.
Maybe some question.
United. Mese ayi somro kra anmosun so wanguzo ne edwi. Ga bomma me za anwum no.
Mo hwehwe na mo ma na ne entie ni opeso.
Mese somro akotua osoro ho so wanom so ayi.
Me de me hunyum kra o ka.
Lumba ne boy.
Ah te bod new title.
De bebrebe.
De bebrebe ayre.
Ah.
And too much so mo ye dede.
Tio. Ujina osoro achi.
Aha.
Wo se wa hu nyame. Na kɔtran fantachi na ɛno ane yɛntie bia na ayi your friend say wo say friend the unity party
United Party United Party
amuko united
na nka mo yɛ ne
ye obdia bakum wa hwiri so wo united menti ase o profo na kyerɛ mu ye o dam hey ye si e kai ho bom no ahwire ko gina chos me ko united
na someone who say within the new patriotic party no inchichemu enim inchichemu ewo bebre
ejo ko united abonte
oh yes matwe no ho o pen krofo amama ka o mamu ni nyina bom ye o ba kire no
na sema america no so onim unity anka otena mu united na onum say na de ko to abai 2024 de brebe chada twawo
na se ora hopes ne kasa no so tie
metie chada twawo
na se no munye political party
obusi chada political party
she
chada no political party
metima ram kitu abi no
da bi wo kasa no me toko
mahu
onso da
mahu kan pese we sasa mu ya you see
yes
ebra ala one pp na ye be ko super delegate no once almost started kende Japan crowd be twa kende Japan crowd samokai
ye kai pa
ye 2 years kende Japan twa that time omo kwakoye meeting all other candidates no except Bawumia ana omo say ye kokoto abana omo nim say nkrofo chinchim nkrofo nsa e dia support Bawumia nti ye to a ne obedi second all other you know e be withdraw no omo dia ma that time no omo apprenti obi e wo candidates no mu ana okobo omo amane ana omo team say ye baga biasum ho no ompese obeti Bawumia din kra sa team no e neutral people no omo aba in the name of Kennedy Japan ya betua ma no bu no agi Kennedy Japan to ya kwa ha ne ayesa eti ye ba be kwa yi no omo hu say ne figures no be ko won se kwa to general elections no omo ka chada kra betwa land chada kra MPP for na ne kon man TNDC ni bia da se wa se chada betwa land no so no wonim ne esi ye
then esi
ye kwa to aba they deny all our polling agents accreditation
why yo
Omo deny yen
the electoral commission
me na make achiro
why you
mo am polling agents accreditation
they say omo deny accreditation we mu omo adwuma no mu piapia figures ni bi go chada de no mu piapia go we knew what went on and then ya be political party ye ne mu nyina ehia wa park ho ye nyina ye benya accreditation mo mra police station na mo megimi na mo amu be hu ne de be yemo.
No, but this is so serious.
Wow,
no, this is a serious allegation.
You link that by addresses as some way sometime to come. When you have a
wow, you were denied.
Men are make accreditation. Over 90% of our agents were denied accreditation. There were 40,000 polling stations. Just imagine. Our veteran and I got down.
Prof, and to us. When you say, 2024 got to Abano. Yeah, see Lucy, Mba. But yet, Timmy said, be my chada. Kaida and sing with him. O Casamukra of Tofu. We at Tasu.
No, but Omari, he's saying, say, one polling agents, they were denied accreditation.
And the man, yeah, said, be good. I said, my friend. I don't want to. I can't get a point. I say, the end of the day, and can you say, how they own down there? See, to me, Salazar. Okay, yes, yes, a young woman. I can't say, yeah, to me. Chama won't 2 months to a year. One say line vote to the in our mom time, mano. He's on tape. We are making video and I'm the no. One to me is on tape. 2 months to election. What's your line vote to the in our mom time, mano? What you have to more can you now you have that. Oh, me say I will look for it for you. My man to us. All right. But I will look for it for you.
But ask Frank,
to me, I say, oh my young kind Alan votes. Enti young kind. I know where me a kind and this is for kind yet, and ye shall lose you. Prof, that you say.
When you election status.
Election status, ultimate two more, you know, who they lose. Only, how's it?
Because elections operations, only we say, but Timothy Manpa in MP. Maybe we don't know.
But the only maybe are the
elections operations, what do you think?
No, into the
incident now,
may I have
never jam me out to Abano.
What's that?
I never jam me out to Abano. Kroma, Mabafi, and I'm
what's that? Maybe you say something. I don't run.
Me say 2024. Me ko Kumasi no. Won say Kumasi o mutimi wiam.
There be.
Boys are there you should na be ya
enti ono timi year
2028. O de obo go.
O say 2024 year timi wiam because no. Na then na o ka say o say year timi ye sisa nkrofo ye sisa bigu.
Na mutwagum.
Okay, Nyabotema mbisa hopes. Enti is that supposed to mean say 2020 elections are now can a year MPP on. Now Jitum said Namutregum.
Was it 2024?
I'm referring him to 2020.
Look,
Tama now war MPP mono. Namutregum.
Study Ashanti region vote.
Okay.
Next senior Eseko. Never compare 2024. You understand? Me, I am saying it on authority. Mene Kofi Boache in Kumasi. Ye prevented Nyama Bebre. Baby omode ballot boxes koko shade na anya juma. Baby omode ballot papers koko shade na anya juma. Boys are ye mo tom printe. I know them. Edi asa na again. 2016. Look, former Ashanti Regional Commander.
Na menka hu.
What is saying?
Your friend baby na me nka
na dey see me slow na make
Nyabotema
oh no you dey wan oh you dey wan mo
me say na do net I am saying
it oh say dey oye ni wa na o kan
Omari wade
asemo me aba
oh Omari wade you are off mic
Prof
me say you see you are off mic Omari wade
what this associate
meba
share 2016 me koye adwuma wo Togo border no so ya weni wie ya me kan ye me tena o my FM me kan be 5 times obi afra hoping why ade ebra o mo suspend me a me ye interview o baby ana obi be twa so okra wakọ de na o party no adam se wodi mu a ko ne kokodwene adwuma bi ye nie ewo Togo border operations. Yeah. Edi ne kai ka ho. Na omo Jubilee House. No mama police for achemi de makoto says. Am omo de asamo amaka no be yese. 2017 maka, 2018 maka, any ade now 2024. Ano omo de me kokoto says. Ano omo de me call court. Ma court sa nanu ya. Ye ka de say. Ya wade. Ene da ben. Ukwada ya ani ye call ya ye ka de say Jo Mahama ne Attorney General say sa se mu de eye mogu o mo ka che police force mo fa dance mra hwe ni ho say ye ja fa ho ni ne di free wo ho ne te what just say
but Omari you are off mic
na he ade wo Akufo-Addo aba power me risk my life na kami kotoku mu awu na what ma hwe Nyankopɔn nim na that David says one asɛm a me kan ye no me say MPP will lose 4 consecutive elections in this country. Me can't really add on media, bro. I know what I have done. Me kasa trade me, and I'm doing my jams so.
Then why?
Niamaya de me amasem.
Nkeno.
Me say 4 consecutive. Me say mo try to mo save say you way.
Me say. Then ya fa.
Menya fa bi menya. That's right. It is a what should that did depend sir. Now wo patch the same. Eti o tra say na wo kan e wudi mu a. Me hu ye che me kra want wondim say o ama ma hwehwe me mbo.
Obaro abie.
Eso so no fra yi ba ye che no. Ha? Me na me tra radio so ma bie na for to metum. Me da kwan na no ho sa. But because he say but free party muntinu. What ya o hwe manim. What you mama me hwehwe me. Me ko ka fa phone granda menua.
Onim ni kroma onim. Me na kazaze onim sina me ni kroma.
Na woni kroma ti phone ubo aya. Ubo aya.
Wakasa wasacho.
She adomuchi abronye. I was the first person. And I'm call me kwena the police for the kasa ya neja. Omuyi no baba tro.
Now say.
Dabi.
Okay.
MPP time we go koya yibisa no mo eche no. And I'm di America ekọ honum. And I'm kokohwe. Hwe obi a ebeche no. Me di America ko honum. Ye che me amanfo bosi. Ye fa me konkotu nsabom. Ade a me ye ya ama wo wanya sika wo enjoy life. Then you want me to you see etina me say MPP eye declining party. Nyankopon eno me angasa bebo mo so because that is empire me bia na me bo.
Hey.
Oh yes. Me fan sie. And I am bold. Omumu bia so be face me bia no me kire de nyansa wo awiase ase.
Hobson, I see you.
What you say? Sasem we me boss wa ho. Meeting a wouldn't near air cost for me vein.
Never be activate your veins.
Wouldn't him? Akufado. No idea. Me pen na some makumu.
Oh,
etimentimi kasem bone entiano. But near me can say, Nyankopon man on quatenten, no one sure how Hobson will be. What I say? Me jammy BBL. I was in Germany, I must start me papers. Well, pressure me ama me by. Ada me ne trans say 101. No giant person tram or pamono. Me no pe. What kasa no usu. And I promise him. Chalo, I will do all I can. Man find the abro. BJP bia. Power by me so pressure net down so no ma me more time kakra ma me more. Ya BJ man dey nyina so dani. Me ko parliamentary election go for 20 man for and friend me say hope say brabeje 1 city kra.
Ai. Na officer na edentra.
Hey,
my bounce.
I don't care. So we be me who true, I don't care.
But so my appointment.
But you see, what my emfa I don't know to honum. Because of baby or the free buy, and I'm a madam. Yeah, let's go back to our UP. Yeah, see, near Medimanusi.
The new baby. Oh, ya wono.
Yeah. We are not coming for the purpose to say Yebabe go MPP. No.
Okay.
We are coming to win elections to help build this country.
2028.
Ghana for the Maya fine. Oman fa Maya. Ye dey woni that was a baby. Just say ye binya. Ade ben 40. Ye wo. Ye. You see, Brofo Grawinti. Obika Vision 2040, I just said 2040 no be win here.
Hey, now today.
Was it by 2040 no not Ghana. The hub of Africa and one just say
Ghana a president
Papa Lucas was it say
Ghana president so to there. President the 8 years.
Me pacho.
President what me there 8 years.
It is we finally say 2028 we anya no 2032 what you mean sad no by 2040
this 2028
me say you see why what you say ya Obia who say onye papa.
Hobson or how okay.
What you say? Asem na ye kan tie. Wo kai na wo say ye di president ni sen. Ana me say ye fa ni say 2028 wa nya kra no nya 32 a wo betima achieve that goal vision 2040 no. Wo betima achieve. That ye say kwa kofo obi a wakwa di baba chiwo empo no aba be trauma so it will never happen here. But omo knowledge omo atima je adwuma omo ado omo ho adi
Hobson come here the power so
United Nations use omo other countries. This is the manner nkoba be the fourth powerful person in the world. Wuji IMF, Wuji World Bank, Wuji UN General Secretary, the fourth powerful position, a World Trade Organization. Papa di Ukraine yo, ye profo ya, we do more. Koko wo na say African countries, you know, MBA tutiano. We do more.
MBP for.
Omwa.
Omwa na say.
It is sandy pano. Anaga. Aden.
Yeah, babe.
When you say Alan Chamantin contested or
yeah, babe.
Nyabotre oh. I don't know who pray on Hosa. Oh, but Hobson.
Share. NDC form po a support Alan Chamantin. A bra wako WTO. Na MPP for na bi. A true. No mu yusu or mu connections with African heads no. Imro free paper pay asem. Toma kwa ye. African countries, 54 nations. Who visa de ketwa? Who visa de ketwa?
All right, Hobson, my mount chama Gabi. Wait, Debbie, my bound shall marry. My no time be brave. My mother, oh, Unyankari.
Manankasa.
Okay,
Manankasa.
My minstrel.
Yeah.
And I'll pay me a post to be. Oh, me WhatsApp. Oh, me was status. And I'll pay them the two.
I mean, check it.
Oh, there. Check it. And it's like everything I said, everything I believed is what Hobson and all their communicators are sharing, are kind of simple. I do it. I can't make kind man power. That kind.
And I'm here.
Kind man power.
The kind why dear you want also.
Oh, maybe to me I can't. But what can say? Me see and my culture and I say, a friend says, I want you to check.
What sure? Buno is for Dr. Baumia.
No, next one.
Okay. And also Omarewa dear, you know.
First one.
Video. I know a video.
First one.
Me patch up.
Dr.
Baumia.
I don't know. Hey,
I'll say a bunch of disgruntled NPP supporters, full of bitterness, with the sole aim of destroying the party.
Sorry, repeat.
Yeah, now we'll describe it.
Menka will more bearding. Me more bearding.
It is.
Me more bearding.
The most nonsense and stupid thing to write about us.
Now,
but who is more ganted than you? Disganted than you? Who are Maria Gutierrez? Who are Party Mohammed Yeding? Who?
No, but these are too harsh of a word.
Did you leave the party
has
debut? Was it a bunch of disgracefully disgruntled NPP supporters, full of bitterness, with the sole aim of destroying the party? But were you referring to them?
Then but let's organize our thoughts.
Sure. Because there be the outline and I say, I'm saying Hobson Carson be now. As some na Hobson canon. Now who fee say, idea the Oma Yeno, what do you hold the and I watch rock.
Exactly. That's what we are doing this. Oh, now see how power supposed to be. Let's have
10:52, and then I'll try
AM.
I said 10:52.
AM na ya pon all morning shows. Na ya microphone na kasa wie. Ada che say awowo wo mu a wo moti ho no mu twotwo sansefo no. Hey, ana dia mo de ba ya di be hia mo o mare. Ono no hia me amenka se me ya wunu ewu.
Na sa dem try we say assess we like say.
David me
ono le ba be try.
Ono wo try ntina.
Ono le ba be try.
Na thinking man.
Go video.
Antina indirectly no the warm.
What say no na hope see no more ye no. One more is okay. I said okay.
And I said no, me say ebi no more ye.
Hey, Omari, last week. Okay, there to aha. Oni Solomon Usu.
Me kai pa. Oni Solomon Usu special last week.
That's what we nyame no, but we see us.
What they said in the body am
if
because how can you describe a whole organization as a disgraceful
disgruntled also
disgruntled? What kind of nonsense?
What
kind of nonsense? Na wo ho ya me nwanwa.
Baby you say be me
performation. Wo ho ya me nwanwa.
Adintra.
Because what they kind I referred to us and was a kind to confirm.
Sure.
True of us.
No great.
Eti adentina who be say adentina ba jeyi.
Ma dia ira.
No ede make us.
Ma dia ira. Me say me ko bodua. Then we ko body bia. Uhuri ya kwa.
Example now, different from example.
Yes, you had referred earlier on to them.
Because I have a problem. Remember, we are also your party, your co-primaries, presidential. Sir.
And are you referring to your party?
Me say
disgruntled people. Ebi mo almost supported Dr. Only post me brea Dr. Baobia. And Tomo Mundi Dr. Baobia, you are also referring to them.
Me disgruntled member. Me 20th November 2023. And I'm forfeiting my membership. I'm not disgruntled. Nyabutre. Abubakar Sadiq. That same day, they forfeited their membership. Alan honorably resigned from the. You cannot describe us as disgruntled people. Saturday, I said we resign immediately. I just said, Debbie, I'm praying. Now, I can't say, but we are wooden at you, I will cherish me. Or no, who better describe us? A young man from Miano Meto to Alamu. Don't try those things.
I didn't try.
Mom try.
Until no person be a good.
Because baby Allah ya drew no, but we are one ya baby Andrew. One ya. What other muti one na dear. I dare see talkatives in the epe. Yes, talkatives in the epe.
Enti ba mia kasa.
What say? Me or describe me leaders are me man triple dose.
We man triple dose.
Me na me catch you. Now me catch me 100 ba we wait matter say.
Na so they be 100.
Me catch me 100 na wait matter. Alan, obianim Alan the wife. Age 22. Now we general manager. Our USC departmental store. Age 22. That time we no even. But we have a vice president. Nanya 3-bedroom house no. What him work under? Nanya no kwade na Japan dey we ati na. And nanya ka say, what beti makai?
All right, Hobson. That's how.
Kasa mu ba betra onu ma ba bekeka. Ensanfo e dia fire.
Hobson.
Maybe I who say. Sa de no mo start here, o mo be nu o mo ho.
Mo di be hia o. Me da say.
No.
Gabi assuming. Gabi, ba mentio. Gabi da umba so makasana. Yeah, Gabi, I don't know why this. David o.
Omaru Adeaji. Odi. Once I mom me opportunity cry na chama age. Na me say odi o mo so. Chama mama me gasabi.
Me was Gabi meeting. Gabi, say UP party abai. Say na hu no.
Oh, okay. Me feel say me dey kaka cho say about the right time. Nti America say ne say say ye ni any major opposition party biya where they in multi-party democracy no tem biya so we have vibrant major opposition party where they obebo abai no chidon said they be abai no or chia obetretre no. Unfortunately the MPP as it stand now no won't mean describing say a political party because omniama nyina sabi enya papa. Hey, I'm telling you.
Then we want to say enya papa.
A party na could din crofobin sama as omo tunte. As entebi no moto. Into share the minority leader, who share the leadership of the party. Besides says some party that ben and a oman call internal elections answer and obey your presidential candidate. It tells you how the party has become a show by be a party na jija kodu. A show by be a party na jija kodu. Now share and feel what na MPP don't be ye wo kro ma. Nka se Ghana fo nyina see a kind boom na nke gusa party no. They don't deserve to be a political party in this country. I'm telling you. Look, MPP they simply don't deserve. Look, babi omjo man kodu ye. E kro ma de no man say no. Is the education, a health sector, a judiciary, a the economy, a cocoa sector, a roads. Name them one after the other. If no man say no. Then no say no education. Education. Look, if you free education from the buy, go and see. Go to the various secondary schools. Na share the way you didn't collect boss without facilities. Without dormitories and their classrooms. Now they are even placement. Last year, look, by this time, and placement, no look. Tema, Bamia come an apology. Bamia come an apology. Or patch or na. Aduchu Mrs. or no one fixing economy, ya. Or not they are fixing education, ye. The 10 cents about me uncle for culture far. Aduchu mono. But I couldn't say. Or sati kaba no more top placement 10 cents or much far I'm telling you and that was true me see look over where no who say omo crop for na omo no ho no omo see no de buy and too many na oye look the entire country who have the judiciary mami alaba you na okoi and toko no masadi say wasanko also call for judicial review say the parliament cannot vet or appoint the acting chief justice. Yes. No and what basis officer tema no hona the majority leader or the assembly call Friday by I can say time by na Supreme Court sitting no. Remember that case Afenyo Markins tema Sarfo MPs bina. Some of them decided to go independent. Susu came in. No, adia ye be parliament paying. I think I went to court. Mami we ya no trial or empanel judges, Supreme Court judges. They destroyed entire nation. Now for the minor, akwe bibi na tension. Who be a crofisi say she a cook rabisi ukruma. The South political party way and common national service. National service are NDC by previous administration. Look, we cleaned that place. Yachishi amount for tumu AIE on buy the same thing. You give to our as a wine. Yes, in there or Kokota or say Wakwaji skill duty. Wakwaji health skill duty say for 2 days. And I'm going to say, bomb crown on the Asabi. Ya na mo den. Ye chimuni at the Mukokota Moyare. Some bokro on the Anemonyare. By the Mukokot the Amosemoyare. Mubokrono basa. But be look, cocoa sector. Well, look at the debt. 31 billion Ghana cedis. Cocoa tokeke. Health ministry. Over 1 billion debt. Here be someone says economy the other day. Obie no obie everybody was stealing during the 8 years. Obie so what ya I'm telling you what you guys were doing. Now guys say they can just for Karameke. Obie bokro no ni bi. That's our political party. And within America say the UP party na about the right time because I said Ghana for nyina the nkrofo year 8 years no obi oye discerning person bia no we should collectively work to destroy the MPP as a political party we should work to destroy the MPP party.
For them to join the UP.
Every discerning Ghanaian should work to destroy the MPP party. Because one, Oma man from Buntu, they came for themselves.
The free education
look at
the free education
look at Ken Oforiatta. Look, yet me two amana $97 million. Can you imagine that? Amana keke it cost Ghana 90. Do you know how much $97 million can do for this country? Do you know how much it can do for this country? Amana keke and it cost Ghana. Are we crazy? Well, look at the properties and what? And to make catch yourself, look. The UP party no more by the right time. Let us all work together as a political party, and let us work together to destroy the MPP party. They don't deserve to be given any opportunity again to govern this country.
Mami now I say
some bunch of I don't.
Yeah, me that's. Amaro ade mami ntie.
Enyom ba ko so ya motuma me.
Be mpenyum bo.
Ma yen kan kire jase aboa bi akum Joseph.
Ya sapona.
Say Yehowa shira wa.
Ya sapona.
Aboa bi beche wo so na wungu ye. Say Yehowa shira wa.
Ade no akwa wo yi. Ede biom. Yedi ayi share dey say wa ko lusu poto. Ede biom. Otamfu si enku MPP.
Na me ma opportunity sakasa. Now they are nyum to.
Ai one or two amna say yenkosie obi omu ati ono na ekosie no mu no. Me say de omu kan de omu ye no. Ebi esi okrom hada. De omu kan de omu ye no. Yaka bi da. Okay, nyeba power ngmene, nyeba power war. Okay. By the time we finish with you, your party will be no more. Ya kani nyina bi. The next said da mo papa. Omumunko. Na senya nura eye no. Sa na di ochira eso beye.
But what can send bebre o?
Minim. Okay, me ya le manwa so omo kasa no e din me be protest ba me protest ba ko class man to aso.
Actual protesting.
Me kasa ba me kasa. Allow me to talk.
That's me ma kwa ma kasa.
Obam brudo. Bedru omo so to me yes that.
Oh, David. You are not being fair to me. No, please.
Me protest.
No, please.
Me drop petition.
No,
okay, me petition. Make a petition.
You ready?
Because you know.
Hey, Omariwa there.
Make say me there, ma'am. Non uninterrupted.
Okay, me too.
I know how many minutes?
Oh, they be caught.
Thank you. Sedenti. They da my office. Nipa miensa. Metime the 3 minutes ka eh. Ni mo obi adi nipa miensa. Me mo obi adi.
Yeah, 4 dey what them say. E do ka nipa miensa wo budget.
Yes, 6 na.
O budget say o ka ye hu.
Yes, 6 na wa.
Huh?
Yes, 6 na wa.
Microphone yes say. E 4.
Ba ko na si won.
Amaro ade. Onya prepared so be kasa.
Allow me to talk. Tell them to keep quiet. Omo kasa ma edi na me show. Tie. Your party no. This is not the first time I see. And even in NDC, the papa we can and nano they na kuna do. Fanda ire. Na kuna do. Fonka. Na afakonto ndo abuano.
Wana abuano.
I
am sitting here. Wana abuano. Hey. O ka sembia na say me sue you.
Hey, madidi.
Aden.
Ye kokot.
Na office ya ba betrasa ma ba be. Why? Wonim kwanya ye Alan Breyer so wonya ska bia ye ye. What do you mean?
Me bato nyabotre ma me bisa no. Why na office oboa movement for change for.
And movement for change UP for.
Baby me ba.
UP.
Or see that time.
There be UP.
Okay.
O de member ho.
Me bato one officer oboa UP.
I do member last. I make sure say make
one ebo.
Me see member ho.
O ye be ma pa wo modi wo promote.
Member ho.
Metio.
Me say, fan diary. Oko tie no fonka okay. And then a friend deep your friend saying NDP. NDC Guzi tango, guzi. Otie no NDC Egle, Fureta. Otie no NDC yeah, party Akufo before he became the president. Alaji the friends say they're not paying PhD as I was West. Inusa.
Alaji Inusa.
Kufo the body and this is for actually almost yeah we have a big fish. Eat him as an away. Big fish. And now free wa pen Kufo win here. Hey, only papa be a fellow nyahota maklo.
But then the crackers our hada.
Me say and that first time e be asini.
Nyahota maklo.
Me say and that first time e be asini. So our faith, the battle is still the Lord's. Our faith is still the Lord's.
Allah free mo.
And if pani bebre free mo.
Allah free mo mulusu.
Messi for free mo no.
Yes. Mulusu ye.
Yes. It has never happened. Say party be accord 8 years. Bamia was given the opportunity. They said deliver, and I say it is possible. You got try. That's why he came out with the word it is possible. It was difficult. It has never happened before.
Auntie Mama who sent out election more winning. Is that what you want to say? Then I can
or say,
yeah.
We lost the election in 2022, which I am aware. I know.
Auntie Mo party from which to say Mulusu election. They can't
project say you Kroma now doing 22 crisis. No,
including I'm asking you, Mary.
Every project was halted. Hospital, agenda 111. Everything.
I want you to.
And you thought it was easy to win? Ken knows everybody in the. But we have to work. It doesn't mean when you are going to play a book of boxing, football. Protocol has a ball. You bet you are sure Munti. A Grofodia, a ball, a cry. Omutasha, a quiet say, they be a show a cry, they belusu. That's how you work.
And you know, because you people knew, say, now it was difficult.
No, the challenge confronted us.
So that was why you came out with the mantra, it is possible.
Yes, to win. It was possible to break the 8.
Oh, really?
That's what we said. It is possible to break the 8.
Knowing very that you are not going to.
It was difficult. We knew it was difficult. 8 years, you be a part of young cross will be that. Kufuor you obey na 2020 208 and you can afford to take Kufuor. Mibuaka. Now who in one bet me 2016? If you hope seeing here, my good brother. For 2016, Mahama Lucy, one Wagan Hanod was a president. But they repeated, and today Mahama is president.
But on him say,
so you can condemn, you can kill, you can mastermind, you can focus.
But on a more serious note, on him say, on our alantramanting a free mu party no, or the dumb koi by affect them.
Well, on no dumb no Mr. Chadekwan. Oka Chada,
no, but you affected your party.
Oka Chada, dear free mu, no can Alan de Bomwa. Bahama will have seen be the president. Can't be the one. Yes.
But and now someone would call in Tiomco.
And now 2008. He did the same thing. And it cost us. I wouldn't say it didn't cost us. At least you are being vote cops in whoever vote can home or don't vote can home and can vote no cost. And there are people who follow.
Was it 2008 or anything?
1 year party.
2008 every rally Alan Kasa we answer Kufado Akasa true of us
no correct
and then 2024 you can Kasa you don't know
hey we are setting straight yes setting straight me say Alan free mu 2024 mu lusu here true of us
I don't know. I could do NDC.
Me say true or false.
Call me a friend. Boy, this is what I do. Class because I state not council. Most of the boys who went with Alan later were absorbed in the NDC. Have you forgotten?
Why can you mention names?
Most of them.
Mention names.
Come on, Bianza.
Bobiansa from NDC from 2008. From 2008.
What you for Ghana? I was West Wogon.
Akwajo left
long ago.
Long ago.
Miss Onia Land.
2012, long ago.
Boy, Ocastica, woman, the man that didn't boy Bakukan home. Ash, the friends. That's for mommy wife. No, this is the no,
or can't you acquire things of a deputy secretary of Ashanti region?
There are several people who went
Bachanfo.
But I mean, there's so many before.
Bachanfo left.
There's another boy.
Bachanfo free muda.
So when you do that, and I'm there, Bob.
Yes, certain records to straight to say 2008 Alan Free baby on Bokubi Alan Kasa you answer 2024 now we free Munumulu ye.
And they say no. They almost at your home, almost your home, coin penny was effective. Now they have created a new political party.
Sure.
Almost a fairly unity, almost united, but almost unite to home. At the Ako winning elections. Unfortunately, what's the communicators? They are always praising Mahama. And then Bako ability shows. And then you're sitting there economy. Why are there? And then they say, that is how good it is. And me remember yes. Yes.
The first year, no be beside say economy no, me who ni say ya. Don't labor for me to me go kase, Debbie a say kra. Me go kasa. How would the people see me? You see, as we are fair. Now, man for who say we are credible person. Me ma won wie because who did throw. And then TV3 for interview Alan. I don't be say Galamsey fight no who ni say. Was see who some kind of political will on John Mahama say or person ya dem.
Sure.
Nemum as say we call feather. And what can suggestions be sadness here communicate. Now they can hear that. Opa me ko beside ba me say Galamsey fight who dey say. Who don't better say what Pekeka.
Akufu at the time no who say political will or political will. And next we dey airport no. And let
Obi ko be that.
And then you need Ghana.
What go to Okade
FM.
What I meant to ask
you.
Melinga Butre. Makaza Kazi, because on the can Kajabe Feke. Oh, Dako Jania and the desire. Allah won't pay the. Eh? I come with the Moncassi. Why say? Lemum is so that's one. No more. One canon can
Would
Nipa way out, Nipa also pursue the president. I won't mean criticize it. There are no
let me ask you. But Utie Alan interviewed in there TV3.
And today
on one basis. They're okay. Now would they criticize?
I'm not going to see it. I'm based on it. So I can't. Then they are not kind here because what you just said. They said Alan praised John Mahama for going good. All right,
so Hobson,
never repeat it. Or Mobisa and say, who Galamsey ni say no. Was he who the political will in John Mahama to fight? Is it not true? John Mahama, one year ready to be fighting.
Oh, say that true.
Oh, please. Just impressive politics. Let us stop it. Me say, my young just impressive politics. I didn't hear white, a black. What power doesn't mean say go and lie. What power no? Ye ni election yemu. Say we election yemu. And I say oh, where there? White by you hunu tuntuma. Different. First year of administration. Now go question how no make say ye better than no mine no. Ya ko ye dim. What can I say no we no? Nyabotre. What can I say no we no? So who political way no. What I catch the woman say. No. As I said, what me stop you can't say small scale money ne Galamsey for the for some time. Now or more audit you can't say licenses now or mukitano. It's not suggestion.
Suggestion.
Now or Nyabotre. No more. Oh.
I'm saying I'm MP before. I'm also I'm called. How?
You see? Oh, no, actually, you want to tell me that?
You see?
Small scale mining in Siciano. It is not true. It is not true.
That's why they are.
It is not true. It is not true. It is not true.
Mo interview into me, one can say still get lenses. One can. Oh, yeah.
But Hobson, I mean,
Eti wama suggestion. You see, yes, I ain't even made this country.
Sure.
I didn't know what team now office any panel you won't team in yano.
SOMPA FM.
Open it up. Say, and Kawafa sa kwan wiswa. Look, one say, John Mahama win elections. Before say, yes, what the ino. Ya ni leader jina eko congratulate no.
Sure.
Yeah, GTP no. Yeah, the shedding sa.
I saw.
Alan catchre ne say. Me nye selfish. Adwene kame pese me di boom o man no say Ghana 42 me share me sa enunie. Me dey maun. Ne wo betimi anyusu wo mu bia e beboa wo no. Fire adwuma. This is when no be the atwitwo. Ekaba umi akwedwa si o nanka me say digitalization the say eti je na hwe se beboa wa fire adwuma. Eti gen go yanim. What you gonna say? Criticize where you don't need to criticize. So, what are you talking about?
Let's come to confirm what I said.
All right, so
say a political party that wants to win power but will not criticize but will praise a certain president.
Oh, but why does criticism?
Ghana fufro to go baby di mo nom ko kwetena honom.
MPP for. Omo yeden.
Now that make Kasano we were Kasa without Mark Rodum say
Trump. Trump
protest the Democrat for demonstration.
They give suggestions.
But only our Ghana there are some of the things I cost o memu a. I was say amanyofo was ejai. Say anke ye to abewia. Aban no obeba so. Dan ke nyina ye di ya tanechi na empono ye criticize ya. It should be constructive. Baby oya ade no. Me ya bona baso. Baby onya ade no. Na hoso ya kan. Enti wo hwe Hobson adoye aba betena ha. O se no mo interview the political party omo opinion oda no Alankojo Chemanting. Ana ombisa ne say ye hwe John Mama mamu na or political will. Ana or year no say he sees some level of political will. Nemum anka omo ye ni say na anka beboa, and you feel that this is not right.
Me say
yes, Omari.
The ukase ye to aba ema abanya. No, so bia can do. We shouldn't criticize constructive or
no, I didn't say that all.
Then what are you telling about? I'm saying that the so no ya de ma no and so there is tabi bi dem tv there is tabidity. I say akosro eguso kosro.
You never heard of tabidity?
No, say ya the buy.
Say data show otherwise. Enya no kre.
Me ba so ma me tie Gabi na me tie Gabi.
Anka konya kia tumu. Eka chebi so dia tum. Eka ayi bakuna friends Kumasi dia no. Eka ya tum. So no
Kumasi dia be na ya tum.
Omo se ayi friends bo
aka. 1300 and over 600. What's it?
Barakasi yaran.
Barakasi Kapko Zenet by Konyako. Kapko Zenet
Konyako crowd almost started partial operation. Now no many the regional minister.
Time one now no pardon I was a good for the end now was near here. I see I criticize the court demonstration.
I take Gabi na me before like.
Also are you Tamu Goyan Gamu Freka now
Gabi ma 1 minute na me.
Okay. Onim. Answer me the can catch say. Sa MPP party ohui. Ese Ghana fo nyina wo bia sebe odwonwa hu bia ese nyina kan dwubom na ye pe kwan bi so na ye se party no
ne sa so enye
dabi me ntia make
don't wish evil for your friend
no me ba ntia make say
yes
we dey hwe sa ban ye betra ye so mfie nwotwi hwe de omodi Ghana ekosi ye na nyankopon da Roma na ban bia ba ye NDC na wo hwe adwuma wo ye kafo am bo ye eniema basa bi o ho asebe wo de wa no kakura enye yi na afeba akukura nruyo na bo mianya one of the legacies sabi entra ye entro pa wani na pamfo nyina entro 1 year bacho medimanusi 1 year kura mai musimu koyi a presidential candidate de wa musi sell man kodu ye enka sabi o me party bi o mo dwene Ghana for ho a enka they will sit back they will reflect they will kombe dwene kwachi
o nsuo na kura no
Bibion be bia ama won su ne kra
num kakra ma me
me ba me de manu sia no ka bibion be bia nkwamba dwunu hu ye kakra be wo mu de because
all right, AYEBIAFO SOMPA 106.5 FM. Kasa natural mineral water. Ensure come up. Bakacho say filters are on the year on Jumano. Filters near Papa. Ensure pa obia enumbi. Kasa natural mineral water. Oh yeah party. Oh yeah wedding. Oh yeah yebia. And no and also company chakwain. Kasa obeti me afre Kasaloma 4. I was 02064694430. Me va to show me chakwain mo typhoid crime bia. I was back hospital. Ne echire ho kasa mineral water eye ensupa me kwa amano sisia na me ne echiefu edi nkomo 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba to wana me ne kasa yi. Yeah, me ba to wana ni.
Phobia ni o Cantamanto.
All right, Cantamanto akafa phobia ya nti why?
Yedika Prof and then we should know why and
oh, when you anjo hopes in Bahan to when you anjo.
Oh, not I didn't know I don't know your host.
Maybe on your host. Phobia. In as much as I respect your view, not the old kind of midi boo any D man on ending. Or Mariwa, the open the on Casa. Or Maribet Yatrasia, the Afifa baby, as every grab a cacrad. Or Marinka.
Asabuna, or no, or Sadoyano. Essence of Mariwa, the Anasabla, or Becania, look, not one. And then or no something you always do so. Keep on the side, no one casa. I'll say, what can you over casa? Money come up them.
Hey, I do young cow awesome.
Osadoya, I can't be. I don't know Omare what you say. Patrapa in Muama, Yapanin just here, you are going to be here. Now, I mean, Yako Casa. Let Omare what your cousin is fair. India 1 year to 1 year. The Ajimano and another demand airport to know. No one for Hamano. What did you want people back?
And to know, oh, Bachelor, or Mariwa, dear, and you know, you own.
SOMPA FM.
May I say, so by hello, good evening. Me va so wana me ne ka say. I got what am patrol ti why.
Yo, me ta ka o de manisha number 2. Yeah, na jump on. Mo ban ti mo ma no. Ana in come na na jam and they can come wadu. And go for na bre, mo ma plan tere me bi why. Ana na tira wo ma Canada, head ya sabia. Ono so baba wa kama, mo ban ti me san wo nya juma no. MVP abandi abro. Ke wo kubrobe. Ono so sorry wo TV ko why. What you say? Obi aba no be di party mu ano ye ya. No be so good party no no ko. And e would that party e would china. Because e bi ko na bi so ba. Yes ye wa dire. Yes ye ba be wure. What you say? And the China here. And do the who be di mu ana se. O ya de enya na tie party no mra. Ye kana u je na u firi mu kwa. O kwa na be u to ayam pia. E wa dire. E good party no fi.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pacho wana me ne ka say.
O to 40 ni so uchi.
Me pacho wana man pacho etie why.
That's it. The chair hosting na garden. Chair MPP party on. There garden can. A part of say good. Because only enemies of this country. FPP is the problem. FPP is not the political party. It's a criminal organization.
Oh, that was something okay.
The question of that FPP is not the political party. They come to cover to root. Since some come time. I'm not Papa by the way. Before I say, I'm not the party. They just come and look like I can go. That's FPP. They are talking too much. They cannot deceive anybody again. 2016, good job, no more Ghana. You have the name, you have the name.
the country was giving you. You mess up the country. But we get the better for so.
Mami now I say, I'm picking this caller. Hello, good evening.
Prof.
Oh, me ni ana ti say.
You are there maybe abo for now so.
Adomo.
The nyamiase. Mediani free from Casa African Tomato.
Oh, free fan abo ko there.
As of you yanko environment bibi abo.
The nyamiase.
Doctor ya o say educhu mo ne bitu. Frank amen biama ya be dia me mutan tan no. I hope you have it on way defending. No, both ways. Do a Biana and you may be ready, never be who you are. I want MPP Mono. Said you hope for 2 Mona. Or Casse and Kobe Fanagin and why you are about me and Cobeto to a person. Not allow what party, you will not know what party now. I go for the money post Castiano. I give come back on what they want. Now, a group I didn't want to say, 2 million more, no one can now MPP need compare message. If you call, one call promise you will win here. And compare compare message, I'm MPP now. Said your friend say, any compare message, demand people. Child, when you compare message, demand the party of a TBR. No, I don't know the party of Ghana animal. You are doing 8,000 what I do. Allah, one need. But only president of Ghana had that. Said one people more. Well, yes, I'm Kumia said, so no watching it. No one farm work for no good right or because a good for more money. I hope that the rest of it no good papa. So, I no idea them go for no.
Yeah, attempt the Biamba, hello, good evening.
Good evening, today.
If I saw a friend Abotchie, a frozen. Kojobuafu, yeah, that's. Yama kwaba.
Oh, honorable Usnabe, Medin Huyapa, Mena and Washama. The senior Katan Metro, Omana Komam. I should break up no Kino. There's no no. Oh, a man of Rebao, when you have no talk about by a bitchy. You know, one mother, I say, what kind of person are? No, you know, about to
But I say, Sabre for Freddy Biabio. Yeah, the Comono, Ebekwa Sibe 5:30. Na HSA. Isn't it?
Katamanto form you no maminyo mano.
Now be your mano.
Be your mano.
Okay, that's fine.
Men fan free a free fadia no so. Okay. I allow one people mo. I dey advice ben or the mai. Akufuado. Make us say, but we may uncomma a advice. Be a wasum. And MPP for Casa. No more pride or more. For more the 1 district, 1 factory in a pride or more. Number 1 thing. No. What you say?
Sure.
Why and the mass advice on why the ladies are there? Number 2.
With you.
Number 2.
Yes.
You see, at times, I am men young ignorant.
An
agency is under a ministry.
And I responded to him. If I don't responded to him. And I debut never responded to.
Yeah, but by railways lines, you know. And I like catch there or cabinet say. See, can I debate railways, you know? Young Tema to 1 crack. No moya ebe ye adwuma amana gidinti no ane ye mpene ye de akom pakadan ya de ne yakwakoye pakadan ya de ne yakwakoye ho because he say ono ya o monim so wo presidential ambition ti no ye nye ma no moti honum na mo cancer mfon aya bo
hopes also be mentioned.
That is me. I'm called hopes na doye. You are not called hopes. Bojiri. Ma me man be facing reply. Bojiri. Next time veteran no offer
Bojiri. No blow. Oh, my brother, for no blow. Oh, no blow.
Me say Neja. And I said, Nini,
Hobson,
me and Bulemio. But when you call her now, you say, oh, Baby Bulemia, you regret. Me catch them. But go be say, Mammy, about Eish. Mamu, Mammy, cancer mo. Me friend people. I have decided, say, no, maybe I'll keep it to myself. So, Mutia Brona because I may be a how. So, because I may be a jar. Munkrofoni bi ebewu before their normal time. Pressure and kwabikuomo. They should stop those nonsense. Me sacrifice you. Me sacrifice you. They should be very careful. Very, very, very extra careful. More mame and open the Pandora box though.
Oh, box be or how?
Me na make a chiro.
Ah, box be.
Me na make a chiro. Me na make a chiro. Wait.
Oh, Mariwadi.
Wait, what here? What ya way?
Kasminyawi.
Minyawi. What ya way? Sankophobia. Me wo hokrom ba me ho a me tani wo mo down. Wo mo kokeka so me omo ba na mapam wo mo nchi no. Omo kwa kodidi me ho konkonsa ne ade. What ya way? What ya way?
Amara de odo suffer.
Me ti ho no mo no. Me ma me ya ade a ebe denti akufuado. Mo sora na mo cancer fun. You don't understand it. I am the only person and I am proud. Say MPP abamu manya hu. Enti na me ye proud no. Omo mu nya hu no, omo na ekọ BNI, omo kọ Yoko. When I tell you the number of people, MPP officials omo kọ amanfo nimu a, it will shock you. Me yima puma mu fita na me de nje.
Omo sa information ni na.
What say?
Omo information.
Na dey yesi anim.
Hey.
Na dey yesi anim.
Na onya be amambi.
Me say. Etivinia. Yeah, ka JNANA say ene United Party aba UP. Ya say atamfo nyanyame. Omo kasa omo ana alanchemante woni bi dani ade no. They should go and read Isaiah 55 verse 8 to 10.
Isaiah 55 verse 8 to 10.
So, omo adwene ni omo akwan ni nyanyankopɔ akwan, enye nyankopɔ adwene. Nyankopɔ ni mu kwan ni enti a